Then people that look at me and say you're aganeering because the way we are.
Yo, that word them mad. Aganeering.
Aganeering.
Aganeering to the flipping word.
Hi.
Ragashanti, yeah, they mix up that day. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on. Yes. Start it over. Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie start it over. Press to every tambourine. Yeah, vibe. Mood up. It's a mood, it's a vibe. Me ready.
I need some An Blenda time. I'm want to call and talk up the King's Day.
That's the reason I'm done with him because you see the boy out there to get up here with the same ragga.
Hold on.
Check.
You want to get up here with the same red one?
Check.
Yeah.
Beside the girl
Let's
with the
go.
mix of that story about the
Press the
rider
pass the
and
tambourine. Check. Ready up.
because the way you are.
Yo, that word them mad. Aganeering to the flipping. Ragashanti, yeah, the mix up daddy. Hallelujah. Ragashanti go on and on.
Ready up. Hey.
Yes.
Here we go now.
Ragashanti. Do you know how Richie feelings this, right?
Yes, my friend, I'm here.
Your program because you talk
Check. One general. Hey.
I need some An
In there. Back it up, gal. Back it up, gal. Bring it up, gal. Gimme, no. Back it up, gal. Bring it up, gal. Bring it up, gal. Gimme. Hey. Millicent, big up yourself, Millicent. Hey.
I need some An Blenda time.
The tambourine there. Hey. What on? No, the boss come in. We have to start it. No, what on? Stop it there. I want to start this over because me want to see what kind of vibes me general can put on this. President, me want you put me general on the video. What? No, me can't. What turn on this? So? That one you don't? Yeah. Me want to see what kind of vibes, my brother. You're right, you know. Steal the bashment in the building and thing. And me want you play about me intro. Me see what kind. Because Steel is a madman like me, you know, people. Steel the bashment is a madman like me. He's unpredictable. You never know what he's going to do. And him very hard for the things make you seriously consider like to intern him inside an asylum. Me say, Stevie, me have a sister in Stacy. She rate you, know. Stacy rate you, know. You know, some of you say Stacy kind of like you and I quiet though.
Nothing wrong with that, Raga.
No, me feel...
Sharing is scaring.
Me feel say Stacy like you and I quiet.
Sharing is scaring. So you vex?
No.
Don't do me that, Raga.
No,
me and you
no.
have too much history. We get vexed.
If I one thing, you can never accuse me of juju bad mind. Me no walk around with that something there. Juju bad mind. Me no walk on with Juju bad mind. Listen, I'm going to tell you this straight and clear.
Yeah.
My name is not DJ Oxtail. Allow me.
Prezi! Run the song, Prezi.
Run this song. Hey,
Run the song.
Let me see what kind of vibe. People that look for Steely Boss.
Pressure off of the plane.
Yes.
Pressure off of the plane.
Yes.
Pressure off of the plane. 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 Hold on. Low, press it, low. Low.
No, it's a play a Jamaica. It's a play a Jamaica. Hey.
People that look at me and say you're Haganian because the way you
Yo, that road mad. Haganian.
What's that? Haganian. People are mad, man. What's that now, Steely? What's that now?
Go there, Raga. Go there, Raga. Go there, Raga. Mad Raga. Go there, Raga. Watch Raga. Watch the Raga. Tambourine. Tambourine.
Hey. Mad people die, I know.
Yes.
Hey.
Ragashanti. Don't you know what your feelings is, right?
feeling.
You know me have to listen to you,
Watch
bro.
out.
You talk a crocus bag of
Steely,
things.
I'm a boss that kill this wine. I'm a boss that kill this wine.
Put the girl there.
I'm a boss that.
Put the girl. Put the girl.
Not to you, what's up?
Hey, what's the mix-up? What's the mixup? 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 Go there, Raga. Go there, Raga. Go there, Raga. Hallelujah. Watch Raga. Raga get in the spirit. Hallelujah. Hey, go there, Raga. Go there, Raga. Go there, Raga. Raga.
Steely, where your event name are from? Where your name?
Rhythm and blues.
Rhythm and blues, all right.
Yeah.
Rhythm blues.
Rhythm.
Rhythm.
Give me the rhythm.
Give it.
Rhythm
man.
Give me the rhythm.
Rhythm man.
Rhythm.
man.
Give me the rhythm. Next week Sunday. Next week Sunday. Next week Sunday.
Bad people. Lego.
Easy. What up? My heart there now.
Yeah, don't. Let me see my fit down here now, car.
Jeez.
You're tired, don't?
It was about 5 pounds.
About 5 pounds a while ago, don't?
Yeah.
But you hold it, though. You hold it. No, you're going good.
Yeah.
I ain't no look like you out for like collapse or nothing.
So let me ask you.
Eh.
Let me ask you a question.
People are too mad people here look for right here.
Raga.
Too mad somebody.
So Raga, let me ask you a question.
Wagwan.
All right.
Eh.
Serious question.
No, you can't catch back your breath.
I'm a general. Me no.
Catch back
Raga.
your breath, Steely.
Raga,
Nobody
no
go
one.
like a young like me.
Raga, me have a issue.
Nobody go like a young like me.
Raga,
Catch back your breath.
Hold on, people.
Yeah, catch back your breath.
Woo.
Catch back your breath.
Raga, me have a problem.
Yeah, what kind of problem? Why you diarrhea?
No.
Want some Pepto-Bismol?
No, me usually take every week. Me usually clean the system, clean the system. So me good for that one. But me say something advertise on Instagram.
What?
All right, you know, Wally British.
Yeah.
You follow her?
Yeah, me see her with a rap something.
So, do you think that that's kind of a uni sex?
No, Steely, don't do it. Steely, don't do it.
Hold on, here's the question.
Steely, no.
So you don't want to hear the question?
No, Steely, you see some question when you hear them and start.
No.
No, Steely, don't wear that Wally British something. Steely, I'm a brother.
But it's universal,
Yeah,
bro.
I'm a brother. No, don't wear it. Don't wear that Wally British something there. That rap something there will give you shape right away.
No. Stop the shit. All right, we're speaking.
That is right fact.
That we're
That is
speaking.
right fact.
Why it
Don't
couldn't be?
lose, Steely.
Why couldn't it be
What?
just bang down the belly? Why
Bang
it
down
have
the
to
belly.
give it bang down the belly?
No, Steely, first of all, it's not a sun because you don't have no belly. Leave that to Major Hype. Oh, damn. Did I just say that? Diamond.
Yo.
Did I just say that?
Yo.
Yeah, Major Hype. Major Hype for wear Wally British rap. At least there's a justification
No,
here.
but
Stealing,
questions
no,
are made
further.
to be
No,
asked.
stealing. We need
I
to ask. Stealing.
value your opinion.
Stealing.
Questions are made to be asked. You
What?
gave me an answer. You told me an answer, so I'm going to leave it alone. That's it. Question
No, but
done.
me have a question for you too. Because still about 2-3 years ago, your belly did kind of push out, you know,
Right.
the Canada show there.
I agree.
The Canada show there, the Toronto show there.
Yeah, I agree.
I mean, I know what you do,
Right.
but whatever it is what you do,
Just
it
continue.
has remained consistent. You have sustained.
really.
No. Me, I tell you, and I like some I watch what your body need. Me just say your gut did a come out. You know what I say? Your gut did a
Facts.
come out.
I agree.
So
I agree.
what
I agree.
still me have a little gut problem here too, you know?
Right.
How you do for bring down your belly?
I eat healthy food. Right? But here, hold on. I eat healthy
you can't get in a trouble
food.
with that, you know.
Healthy
you can't get in a trouble with
food.
that.
You notice when I say me eat.
No,
Good.
but it could be sushi. Sushi is healthy too, so we don't know.
But I don't eat no type of no moving living animals.
Oh, so you don't
no living animals.
So
Nothing that's
is fish
considered.
an animal?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
No.
So you don't eat the fish?
No fish.
No meat?
No meat.
Not all?
No living products.
Hold on. You do like IrieJam and do you just eat. You don't eat cooked food either.
I cook my own food.
Oh, okay. Because I know IrieJam eat cooked food and Breeze nearly blew him what day over a couple of years ago. Breeze blew. Hey, you never know that. Breeze blew up IrieJam and I said the man go up in the ear like paper and come down and sing. So you have to be careful with that something.
But you know that people that's vegan and don't eat meat still put on weight.
Well, yeah.
All right, here's my problem.
I can explain that to you. Want me to explain it to you?
I don't want you to explain my
No,
problem.
no,
I don't want you to explain
I'm
my
not gonna
problem.
explain your
But are you
problem.
going to explain my problem?
I'm not going to explain your problem.
Well, let me.
I'm just going to tell you something really quick.
You're going to tell me something about myself?
No, listen to me now.
But who you going to tell me?
Look up why. My man is not going out to the tambourine. All right.
Just don't tell me about myself.
All human beings
All right.
fall within one of 3 categories.
And what is that?
Ectomorph. Imaga people them I can't put on weight. Mesomorph, people like me, we fluctuate. And endomorph. When you can't look it up, people, look it up. When I know something I get academic and thing, but I every now and then. So you steal it. You're actually a mesomorph. You can't put on weight, you can't get either. If you work out, you can't put on whole heap of muscle and get big enough.
Of course, I agree.
You're a mesomorph, but you control your weight because you're disciplined. Me indisciplined. Because me slap one big something a goated soup from Spring Garden restaurant pan Springfield Boulevard and go so bam and slap with some oxtail after that already and some ready and thing. You don't eat with only for rice and peas.
But Raga, you're not comfortable with your weight. Sometimes
No, I am not.
But you're looking yourself, you look at yourself in the mirror at times and you're very disappointed. So if you're disappointed about your features, you understand, because you're not the Raga that you were 30 years ago, the slim trim Raga who put on certain clothes and you're good. You can't even fit in Zara. Zara clothes don't fit you, you can't go to Zara. Hold on. I'm trying to prove a point. I am trying to prove a point. Raga, sometimes what you have to do, right? We're living in the times of health, right? Because of what's going on, we're preaching health, right?
Hallelujah.
So when you go in these restaurants and you look at certain items, that's when the discipline kind of vanish out of what you're supposed to be doing, right?
Preach, my brother, preach.
Yeah, what you're supposed to be doing, because the body is a self-healing mechanism.
My God.
Am I correct? Because
you are correct.
You have the H.D. and the Ph.D. and the PV.D. and the D.
Brother Malcolm, I have to tell you. Brother,
and the DDs and the whatever,
you
right?
Me a while ago, I think Malcolm X attacked me, you know.
Right. So getting back to the sexiness that I acquired, my sexy body.
Talk about that yourself.
Yes. Let me talk about my sexy body that I highly, right?
Yeah, no.
Put my let me find a word. Help me find a word.
Just clap for me.
Body good. And the girl them love the body.
No,
I'm speaking of myself.
Well, a Ragashanti attack, I'm going to keep it real right now, you know. Okay. So I know you have to leave, but I'm going to do my show. But what I say is, it improve your sort out. That is the question. The weight why you lose, it improve your sort. Steal it.
Nah.
I know you're not tell lie.
No,
it improve your
hasn't.
sort out.
No, it hasn't.
It don't improve your sort out.
Nah, for some.
No, you know, so you have
So
the
you
general,
know-
me rate you,
you
know,
know what it is.
You know,
You
say
know
if a
what it
DJ
is.
Axtail, would I tell lie, though, don't.
But you know
I
what
be
it
a
is,
lie,
right?
Axtail tell, you know, because Axtail I tell lie.
Can I be
Yeah.
honest with you?
Yeah.
We're living in a time where
Yeah.
we have to try to keep up with the circumstances that presents in front of us. Sometimes we need a little, you know, when you have a bike and you have the kickstand and you hold up the bike and you know what I mean? So sometimes you
Careful,
need that.
nobody know your business.
No, I am not
Them
letting
will use it,
everybody.
take it, tell you.
But what am I saying?
Deal from People's Choice and listen right now. Deal from People's Choice and listen right now.
Then a deal me get it from.
No, they will take it, tell Bobby Clark and listen
Then
now.
a Bobby me get it from too.
And you know Bobby bitter. Bobby bitter.
No,
DJ Ryan, listen right now.
Hold on, man. I have to learn from the elders.
One more name I go call.
The elders.
Hold on. One name I go call.
Yeah.
If I'm tell you that name, you go say, no, me not ask him. I go
Yeah.
call one somebody name now.
Yes.
And if I'm tell that person, you go say, a true Raga, you have to watch what you say. You can't make him hear.
Garfield.
Eh? No. No, I know you have Garfield, but no. Me I tell you who no. I'm going to give you a hint. He's a dirty character, somebody.
Oh, let me guess.
Well known, but
me
he's
guess.
a dirty character, somebody. You can't make him
hold
know
on.
your business because he's
Hold
going to put it on the ear and tell everybody.
Glamour Wayne.
No, it's not Glamour Wayne.
Not Glamour Wayne.
No. Listen. Glamour Wayne go to Obia man for the ever young Obia, but him not really walk around with people business.
All right.
But him go Obia man for look young, him stay young.
All
Glamour
right,
Wayne.
let me take our next guess.
One more guess. Me say
more
dirty
guess.
summer. All right, I'm going to give you a clue where you go know who.
Yeah.
I remember, you know, we're talking about a dirty, disgusting individual who you don't want to know your business because he's despicable, he's awful, and him keep feeding business to himself and put everybody's business out there. Who me I talk now? I'm going to give you a clue. Wait for the clue. Here's a clue. Singing on the ocean cruise. Cruise.
Singing on the ocean.
Miami. Best. Best.
You get Steven!
Dirty Jabba. Careful what you say. Because Jabba, you're your business. Everybody know about it. It's a dirty boy. He's a dirty boy.
So we're speaking on the behalf of the suppliers.
Right?
Right?
Because
they're gone somewhere different.
And Platinum Kids come second, but you don't.
All right. So we're speaking on the I'm not going to let you because I just forward off the plane.
Yeah.
Gotta go work, right?
Yeah, right.
So the behalf of the suppliers getting back to
Yeah.
keeping my system
Yes.
on top form.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
enough respect to the suppliers.
Yeah.
That's-
Who are the suppliers?
You mentioned about 5 names.
Okay, all right, then go on.
All right.
Yeah.
So that's where I'm getting my healthy supplements from to keep young, forever young, to keep on keeping on.
Steely.
You understand?
You ever watch Star Wars? You ever watch Star Wars?
Yeah.
You're sounding like Yoda.
Raga. All right. Do your show.
Before you go.
I am leaving.
Tell the
I am
people about
leaving.
your event. More of the people know about your event.
All right, people. Next week Sunday we call it Rhythm and Blues. Rhythm and Blues with shades of blue. The Raga have on a shade of blue.
Yeah.
So you're invited.
Baby Blue is my favorite color.
Baby
yeah.
Blue. So
Yeah.
people, it's going to be a spectacular musical event,
Yeah,
right?
right.
Shades of Blue where fashion meets music.
Mick Clark,
Rory,
you know.
Stone Love,
Aye.
Steely Bashment.
Yes.
So you know it's like a musical. Next
Okay.
week Sunday. So Raga, you can just, give away some tickets to your fans. And
All
next
right.
week when you leave the radio
No, yeah,
station.
I get Stacey 2 tickets. She got everything. Listen to me. She got all of your event them.
Right, no problem.
So Stacey.
So if Stacey want 3.
Good up, Stacey.
All right,
How
she good.
many tickets Stacey have you know?
We talk after you.
All right, well, 2 more things before you go. 2 more
Yeah.
things. Tell the people them to go over to Ragashanti TV on YouTube. And that's the Mixup Entertainment. There. Tell them still.
So people, Raga, when you want to say the mix up, when you want to hear about the hot things that because Raga have some hot things to tell you about. If you missed out tonight
Yes.
on YouTube Live,
Ragashanti
TV,
Yes.
you get all of the mix up. So you
Money.
get today's show, you get yesterday's show, you get last week's show, so you would forever be entertained on Ragashanti TV.
Plus the
on
classic show. Them.
YouTube.
Last thing you have to do. Big up Stacey in a Queens and tell her she round and sexy and she have the good. And she walk around with a piece of weight they were good for her. Tell her them something there.
But you just do it.
No. She need to hear it from Steely.
But we
She need
can't.
to hear it from Steely.
Two
You
persons.
now pick up where I go on in a dog. You now
persons.
pick up where I go on. Me I tell her say Stacey like you not the quiet girl. I look at sound man. And when, listen to my you. Steely, just big up Stacey.
Well, Stacey,
Yeah.
when we're talking about the good up,
Yeah.
when we're talking about the sexiness, when you walk
Yeah.
over Jamaica Avenue and Merrick Boulevard, every car have to stop because Stacey a walk. When Stacey a walk slow. So every man can pay attention to the flow. So big up Stacey.
Stacey with the Matrix walk. People are too madman them. Are too madman. Ragashanti, where you work tonight? Where you work? Private. A private thing? A private affair. Oh, you do that stripper thing too? Yo, now say a word, man. What there, people? And people do remember IrieJam event, you know, it's all about him birthday event scene. IrieJam event, Thanksgiving Sunday, November the 28th. And you know, so that there are mingles. Massive B, Dubmaster Chris and DJ Calibi. Massive B, Dubmaster Chris, DJ Calibi. Sunday, November 28th. IrieJam birthday party. You know, it's fully endorsed by the IrieJam family and the Bridge 99 FM family. Mad thing, done. Yeah, that one I got add to. And I'm a brother, I'm a general. Make sure it's on a roll out. I'm going to enjoy that one day. Well, I know so we're up in the place proper. This is all about Ragashanti live on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica right now. And that is on Mondays, Wednesday nights and Friday nights. Monday night, Wednesday night and Friday night. And I will start at 9 o'clock. But on Friday night, hey, like it is tonight, it is simulcast. So big up for the whole of New York where I hear this right here now. Big up on yourself, New York City. Yeah, because we not hear the thing live and direct because on Friday night, it's simulcast and we are go till 12 midnight tonight. So the thing said. Again, Spring Garden Restaurant on Springfield. Big up. Hey, somebody go over Queens people. If you do that near Springfield Boulevard and go over Spring Garden Restaurant right now. And big them up. Tell them to the goated soup I go on with a bag of something. Tell them to the goated soup. People, let me tell you something, man. We know how things taste the genuine way in a Jamaica. Right? We know so when pork, like jerk pork and them something there. It have a jerk pan them. What I would the name of them jerk it pan again? One special type of wood we have it have a certain kind of spice in it because it helps to give the meat flavor when them a jerk it, you know. Plus, it's a particular type of seasoning them use at Jamaica and it have it up on the fire and the fire it have to low to the fire and the fire can't blaze too long and you don't know, say, when it comes to the real thing, we know that particular Jamaican taste them. So when we travel and we hear these people sell all these Jamaican cuisine here in the New York metropolitan area and beyond, we know that what we're getting is an approximation of the original. Again, not care how good they cook it up. Them don't have the right type of wood for like, you know, jerk chicken and jerk pork and them something, popular something up here. I want know people do them best up here, right? But them just don't have that thing different. Them can't go into the woods like up at Portland and go get that particular wood there and to make the fire. You know them because them don't have that something there. So what we get up here is an approximation. Approximately. Almost. A degree of closeness to the original. That is what we get, right? So we give thanks to the people who can get as close as possible, right? Some people come really, really close to the original thing or taste of Jamaica and all these things. So we have to give thanks to that. So some I tell you, say, I have a Spring Garden restaurant and thing or whatever. I'm going to say, boom, I'm say, you know, so I'm going to deal with somebody goated soup in the night. I'm going to say, bam, so I'm going to do the goated soup. And I mean, I like it, I'm going to get some sample goated soup at Jamaica. But I say, a goated soup, you go on with things, you know. And big up the ladies them who always take care of me in there, you know. All right? Big up on yourself. And me I begging you for tell my brethren Mikey work in a Spring Garden restaurant. Mikey, I'm a general from Augustown, right? I years we grew up at Augustown together. Mikey work at Spring Garden restaurant. Ladies, all me I tell you, it's to tell me some of Mikey business. On a itch with the thing. Listen to me, man. Hey, next time I come over the restaurant, me want someone to give me some sauce for Mikey, right? Because I must know some look a mix up for Mikey, right? I'm a general. You have to give me some sauce for Mikey, because I know there's something of them. I don't make me ask again. All right. Prezi, you just buy. Prezi, you just buy food, dog. Food just come. Where you get to the Prezi? No, Prezi, we want to know where you get. Because food at the talk right now. We are talking about food. Prezi, where you get? What? Chinese food. Okay. What? Lo mein? Oh, lo mein. President Chinese food. Lo mein. People big up on themselves. I don't know what the thing said to open the phone line, right? To the calling with any mix-up one have or any drama one have a sort of thing set, right? And we have some little things that we want to cover with on too, on a different level and all these things, all right? But in terms of something where we can work with, a little topic where we can work with tonight, yeah. I want to call it with any jacket mix-up we want to know about. Call it with any jacket mix-up. And we are talking about Jamaica something. So we are talking about when a man get jacket. And any mix-up we don't know about involving jacket. Whoever want to know. Hey, because I know so the thing take off back at Jamaica again. The jacket thing take off. Because the politician, we talk about it Wednesday, we talk about it Monday. Right, so the politician go propose, say, them need for run DNA test with every picnic we born. The government need to make a law. So from picnic born, DNA test run. And a big debate about it down at Jamaica now as to if it for happen. I will notice a couple of women, well, I come out and I draw a card. And I come up with some what we could, allow me some latitude to dip in my vernacular. Shall we say, I have noticed that women are conveniently producing some extraneous excuses with respect to them not wanting this thing to be instituted, implemented, and put in, institutionalized, right? And I find that strongly suspect, so them like them on, go around the thing. Make a DNA run. A DNA for run at birth. And that's what we say. DNA for run at birth. Now, some of you are free to disagree with it. We still live in a democracy in Jamaica. Nothing has changed. And it's still a democracy in the United States of America. Though we came disturbingly close for that not to be so on the 6th of January of this year. But it is still the case. Give thanks that we're still in a democracy right now. So freedom of speech is one of the things we're entitled to here. So you're free to disagree with I and I, okay? But me, I want to go on record and say, yo, the DNA for run at birth, right? VP Records, and everybody out there, all stakeholders for the Jamaican culture. What the paper name? What the paper name where Maitland run? Prezi, what the paper name where Maitland run again? What the paper? Street Type News. That's what it name. Street Hype News, you don't know that newspaper? A Street Hype News in there. Yeah, man, we need some people that advocate for this thing. We want this thing, right? See that Bella, good girl Bella, by the way, Bella, me like how me hear certain things second hand. Yes, Miss Bella, me love how me hear certain things second hand. You goodie, you couldn't even pinch me and tell me so that's something there go. Bella, make it terrible, so Bella. You couldn't even pinch me. I say, Ray, Ragashanti happening, you know. And I say, what? I me even say, boy, I'm going to try to reach her. I don't know if I can reach her, whatever. What a way, Bella. You goodie. It's a good thing, so I have my ear out in the street and can't hear the something with them. But anyway, the DNA for run at birth, where I say, stop fighting the thing. All of who want oppose the thing at Jamaica, that now works. Don't fight the thing. Don't fight the thing. Make a DNA, run at birth, DNA at birth. The daddy not available test at birth. Yeah, that's going to eliminate more problems than create problems. And frankly, it's better for the children. it's better for the children in the long term, particularly in this day and age where, you know, for example, like healthcare type of things and whatever, people need to know, you know, blood type and all them something there to save picnic life you need, you know, the fathers, so on thing. Yo, when I was TamFam, Pretty Punchy, a.k.a. Munchie, yo, she post something upon her IG. I want to read it. It bad. Well, Anna, let me read it. It tough. Well, Anna, Munchie, I go up on your IG right now. I go up on your IG right now. Make see what I go on there. Right to that. What you know? She it come right up here now. She all advertise DJ Hypeness, a party with DJ Hypeness. DJ Hypeness, Pretty Punch, you know, left you out, you know, she ever big up on her support, you know. All right, see it, yeah. People hear the precker, yeah. Hear the precker, yeah. That one you're at. I want to listen to the precker, yeah, you know. Yo, my sweatpants, you know that drop down pants, something there where them look boy are wearing them. I join that thing there. Pants up on your waist, sweatpants up on your waist. You know that hang off or something there, you know. Watch it now, let me read it. Now, I soon got to the phone line, man. Hear this, people. A man disliked, never wear my glass today, you know. A man disliked his daughter-in-law. The man never liked him daughter-in-law. To the extent that he was convinced she had cheated on his son. So the man didn't like him daughter-in-law to the point where him say, yo, him daughter-in-law burn him son. You understand? So one time, when his grandkids were at his house, he took them for a DNA test. And the results showed that they did not share a DNA with him. Follow the precase so far. The father, him not like him son wife. And convince him son wife a burn him son. And convince a jacket she give him son. So what him do now, him go so boom. And one time when them pick the dead with him alone, him go so boom and carry him go do a DNA test. And the DNA test say, boom, them don't have no link to him, the father. So he, of course, told his son, him go tell his son. The son go to the daughter, go to his wife now and say, yo, my father go do a DNA test and with the pick of them. And the DNA results say them not have no link in with my father. Walk one right just a jacket to give me, my girl. The youth wife, the father, daughter-in-law say, me don't know what you chat about, you know. And say she need to do over the DNA test. So she goes to bam and carry the pit of them. She and the son, her husband, carry the pit of them and go do the DNA test. When them do the DNA test reveals say the pit of them belong to the son of the father. And that is how the son father find out say the son where him born all these years was a jacket. Prezi, you get it? People, when me read it, man, I alone laughing me depon in my crib. You see me? Yeah. That's why sometimes if you see some things and leave it alone a relative, you don't get involved in a man in a certain people, man and woman affair. Yeah. So him there a bit of him daughter-in-law and I say him daughter-in-law give him son jacket and thing and run down the DNA test and thing and make the DNA test, you know, compare the DNA test to film DNA and when the DNA test say, no, them grand picnic have nothing to do with you, you know, papi. Him say, what? Then she said, I she give my son jacket. And then the son wife say, make we go do it. Ourselves, and then them go do it and thing and whatever. And the DNA test say, no, your husband or the father. And I write this, and Mr. Man find out, say, all these years is a jacket him get. They chat about the woman give him son jacket and I don't even know, say, the woman who did give him for him son is a jacket she did give. Jacket mix up with a pan. Jacket mix up with a pan. Mad something. Okay. Oh, dirty president say we have to take a break. So we're going to take a break and forward. But when we're forward, do remember, so the number from Jamaica, the number there is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. And if you're calling from the United States or Canada, the toll-free number is 888 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. Again, if you call from New York City or anywhere in the United States or Canada, the number where you call in straight proper, 888-546-8742, 888-546-8742. Watch your ride. We're going to elaborate. Soon juggle back. Proper jacket mix-up. Any jacket mix-up on the app. Any mix-up on the nose. A jacket send on past somebody. Or any other mix-up on the app. Send on. Give me the caller, Prezi. Rinse. Hello. Prezi, let me see the video. Let me see the video.
Reggae.
Yeah, well, I know Mr. Combs. Yeah, let me see the thing there. Yeah, on the wall. Yeah. Mr. Combs, what happened?
Yeah, good evening to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, evening, me, your young lady said, me said, the born a woman have a 5-year-old baby. I never said that. It's about 5 months. And a 9-year-old boy, and the 9-year-old boy fling this stone through her. And then a 5-year-old, a 5 months.
All right, Mr. Combs, all right. Correction. Accept.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, why go on otherwise?
You want you both a hobby man, a woman, you go hobby man a long time. I play up my put on, but I know like a true thing.
Yeah, man, I'm queer about the Wobia man mix up, Mr. Combs. I Portland it up, I tell you, yeah.
You know Portland?
Eh?
You know Portland?
You know, so I know Portland good, I'm going to know a main road, like going to Port Antonio, I have to go back down to St. Thomas.
It happened between Windsor Castle and Buff Beer.
Buff Beer?
Yeah, you know which Buff Beer. I'm not telling you the exact spot, but I tell you in between where.
No, then Mr. Combs, I don't want you afraid for talk. I wish part the Wobia working. I want to tell Mr. Combs.
No, me not do it. My nephew named Haki.
Your
nephew
named Haki?
Name Haki. You say one taxi for a year.
Yeah.
And that will be everybody, and that's why you know him, right? And him tell me.
Yeah.
This him used to carry your bag and go out, but him have a base where him stay.
Uh-huh.
So a woman go out over man, don't pretty girl, you know. All right, and the other man say, boy, married up, you know, when he read the boy, tell him say, what I show want come to him, the man, I go to somewhere else, but him have to go to a hobby man, he can't go to no woman.
Wait, say that again, what that go?
He said, what I don't want to come back to him, the hobby man, I don't want to go to anybody's idiot. But you have to go to a hobby man, you can't go to no hobby woman, for a man have to do his job.
Is a hobby man have to do it, not a hobby woman? Okay.
No.
Okay, all right.
Spirit have interfered with him.
Okay.
Have intercourse.
Oh, okay. All right, spirit are going to interfere with her.
Spirit have interfered with him, and man spirit of sexual.
A man spirit of sexual and dopey?
Man dopey spirit of sexual, yeah.
Well, and that you say is our problem. Make sure you go Wobia man.
That the woman man tell the woman so.
Oh, the Wobia man tell her, say, I'm a dopey sort her out.
Right, man dopey.
Papa Jesus.
So,
yeah.
We have to go to a man hobby man to start him out to make the driver the dopey.
For driver the dopey, okay.
All
Turn
right,
back
and
yeah.
the one mustn't because she make up her mind and go back.
Yeah.
So then go to a hotel, you know, and my family drop in my hotel and go for the man, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And you have your hotel, you have skittle table.
Well, Mr. Combs, when you talk, we're going to ask if you try your best. When you refer to the woman name, say she, yeah? Because I know say enough Jamaican say him, but no people are going to get confused with the mix-up.
Yeah.
So she, yeah.
She carry your man, go out to the post and go back for the man.
Yeah, and go back for the man. Okay.
Then they play skittle and the woman go in and take the script in her room. And the man go in. And then do that thing and come out. And then do that thing one second time again and come out.
2 rounds, I sort out, yes.
No, a three round man forget now.
Well, so who I sort her out now? Who that? I sort her out.
The Obia man.
So the Obia man say him have to give it to her if she forget the dopey off her.
Then make whether him and the man Obia man have him have to go to the woman. They make tell you already.
No, but what I say is, I just want to know if I the same Obia man end up a dugu or one different man.
Yes, the same one when go to the first time.
So we just want to be clear. So she go to the Obia man and the Obia man say, if you is a dopey upon you, a dopey a jump up in your belly. And if you want to get rid of that dopey, you have to run this something upon me, the Obia man. And that's him say, right?
Whether him or anybody, you know, force him to come to him. But he going to put a cat and let him come. Whether you want to come to me, or you want to find another man, but it's a man have to do the job.
Oh, it's a man have to do it. Okay.
Right.
And so she just end up and go back to the Obia man.
Right, and he do 2 times. The 3rd time he go down, the Obeah man want to get rid of him now.
Yeah.
And when they in the room, I do them thing, man, the Obeah man ball out and say, woman, if you know, say you can't hit you that and you the bad way.
Yeah, him say woman what?
What you come here for?
Him say woman what?
If you know, say you can't do that. If you can't show you up on me.
Yeah.
In call the bad way, the 4-letter one.
The 4-letter one, right, yeah, the bad one.
Yeah, if you say you can't do that, when you come here for, when you come here to man do that, when you ball out and do this. And brother, the woman shame like dog.
Jesus and peace. So him never want to sort her out no more, so him say him have to get rid of her. So him just start done her.
Get rid of him.
Yeah, so him just want to get rid of her. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
get rid of her.
Yeah. Get rid of her.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right. So because of that, no, him just shame her and say, if you know say, and you know the bad word where we can't separate.
Right.
So if you know say you can't do so, where you come here for, him just shame her.
Yeah, where you come here for?
And I saw him get rid of her. So now.
And the woman bad in the room, in the back door around there.
Yeah.
With the grill.
Yeah.
The help her wash the clothes and thing.
Yeah.
She beg him to do. Me can't go to the front over people, man, on that place, Scotland, I know, and I'm drinking over my little like.
Okay.
And
So she don't want to walk past them.
Right, and you man, hope they don't come out and say, boy, the man disgrace you bad.
Jesus and peace.
I'm not joke.
No, and a real thing I say, a real thing.
Me never name Haki.
Aki. You never?
Yeah, I run taxi for years.
Aki from Port Antonio. Him run
No,
taxi.
not to be.
Not to be the Aki. Run taxi for years and Aki get the meta and thing.
Right.
Hold on. And for people who don't know, very often when they go to the Obeah man at Jamaica, them have a thing where them say you have to sleep with the monkey. But the monkey always, when woman, which Mr. Coombs, I think this is one of the biggest con run at Jamaica, you know. But people only know say, when woman go to Obeah man, it don't happen with all Obeah man. But it particularly in the old school days, I don't think it happen as much now. But when them go to the Obeah man, there was a thing that whatever them go to the Obeah man for, one of the ways in order to get what them want to come through, them have to sleep with what them say the monkey.
The monkey man, the woman sleep with the man monkey.
The man monkey, but it's always a man, you know. So me just think say it's a can because
No, hold on,
Mr. Coombs.
Yeah.
Them don't when man got Obeah man for this and that, you know. And the man is not required for anything. I just the woman have to sleep with the monkey.
Hold on. You have man monkey. We start out the woman and you have woman monkey, we man start out.
Mr. Coons, me never hear about that woman monkey with that Obeah man or Obeah woman. Me never hear about that, Mr. Coons. Me never hear about that.
Me not tell you about it, that's St. Catherine.
Mr. Coons, me never hear about that yet. Which St. Catherine, and you not tell me which part. Me never hear about that yet. Me never hear about that sleep with the woman monkey.
Me say, me know one woman, me never did it with a woman, but me the woman come and send her. And he got a man monkey, and the man monkey hug you one crab up in neck. In town, we no low frock again, but we high neck frock.
High neck frock because the monkey crab. But me I say, me never hear about no man asleep with no woman monkey when they got Obeah man or Obeah woman.
All right. If you want to believe me, but me not going on the details.
So, Mr. Coombs, you think say I pop down and start out, it pop down for true, I'm just tell her that.
Come again.
No, one time the Obeah man did that, shell her out the 3rd time and thing or whatever. You think I pop down and start out, it pop down or him just tell her that for get rid of her.
Then I me not tell you, I think you start 3 times off do you, and the 2 first time you disgrace her, but the 3rd time I want to get rid of her.
No,
then
but
disgrace her for run him.
Okay, so I just to run her though, so I start out did good then.
You start out good, but you don't want to get rid of the woman.
Okay, oh God. So look then how she got Obeah man forget deliverance and end up a leave believing she not get the full deliverance, and not only that, she believes she has start out pop down. Papa Jesus.
Not to be a people listening to show the man name Haki, my wife nephew.
Your wife nephew Haki?
Half Indian, the mother Indian.
Okay.
And that young nigga, Haki half Indian.
Big up all not to be a family out there. Big up on yourself not to be a Ragashanti. Big up the whole hour. Okay. So the thing said. Mad thing. Yeah.
So when I tell you what you want, believe me.
Mr. Combs, which part, you have to tell me which part, you know, the Obeah, is that Obeah woman have the woman monkey for the man them sleep with?
But that don't the man where the monkey sing one sing, you know.
You what?
The man where the monkey man sing one song, you know.
What the song? Let me hear the song, Mr. Combs. Sing the song.
Huh?
Sing the song.
Shall we go bring come, my dear?
I eat that?
All right, may I go further?
All right, Mr. Combs, big up yourself here. Big up
But
yourself.
tell the ladies, see?
Yeah.
I don't know, 5-year-old baby, a 5-month picnic, and 9-year-old boy from the stone.
See, the Ph.D. Goliath trouble, don't it, Mr. Combs?
Right, you
Deaf
want
ears.
1 year in here, you can't come with him one.
Yeah, down here, Mr. Combs, down here. The
Me want to get 1 year in here.
Yeah. When
But
you
the
say
reason why he want to kill the boy because he don't get the $2,000.
okay, the $2,000 down.
The man won't come out of the house and pay 2,000.
Oh, okay. You talk about the last time. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Combs, big up yourself here, ratings.
Thanks
here.
for listening. Have a good night. You keep on listening.
Yes, Mr. Combs, bless up yourself.
Tell them to come with something better than my own. Be nice to be sure.
Okay, Mr. Combs, tell them here.
Come with something better than that.
Mr. Combs, I always mix up your age. You're 84 or 85.
84, man. Me born 1937, July 21st, 1937.
July 21st, 1937. So you're
You one Tuesday.
one Tuesday, so you're 80. Mr. Combs, you remember everything, eh?
Yeah, man. Remember everything. Thank God for that.
July, what you say?
The 21st of July 1937, that Tuesday. Let me tell you what minute that Tuesday. When me about 9-year-old, one man used to buy McDonald's almanac. McDonald's calendar. McDonald's.
Yeah.
So him have a pull on, you know, and go man to one Indian man named Baba Portland. So when me see him, he said, me ask if he have 1937, me like, he said, yes. Him say, he show me that, and I said, look on him and pack it back same way. I mean, dig up and me find 1937, McDonald almanac.
All right, Mr. Combs, all
And me
right.
find it was on Tuesday, me born.
On Tuesday you're born, but you don't know if I'm morning or evening or night.
No, but when me ask my mother, see?
Yeah.
She said she don't remember the month.
Yeah.
So she said when me born, June was flowers almost a bloom out done.
Okay.
And I drop off, so she not wrong. The flowers start blowing in May. And in June you come out, June was flowers, and by July it start drop.
All right, Mr. Combs, thanks. And big up yourself here.
All right, thank God.
Yeah, man. Blessings, man.
Thank you for your show.
Yes, Mr. Combs. Don't worry yourself, man. Love
All
and
right.
blessing, man. Cool. Yeah, man. Big up Mr. Combs. You know, so Mr. Combs are elder and I think. You know. Bring in the next caller, Prezi. Because we're not in a dolly house thing. What? Oh, at top of the hour? Wait, at what time now? Well, on. Eh? Nah, man. I'm not sick call the Prezi, man. Where you at?
So,
Yeah, hello.
hello, is this the Ragashanti show?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yo, talk up, no. You hold up your show. Talk up.
Oh, yes. You know, you see the man and his son and the baby, the day of the baby test?
The what?
Like I ever hear that say. You see the man with the baby in picnic, grand picnic them. You ever hear?
Nice wife. If I put you across my knee and spank you, you say, listen to me now, woman.
And that's the one, and that's the one you do.
What you say?
Because time I get cold. Time I get cold.
What you say, nice wife? And that you want me to do in them cold time, I do. Put you across my knee and spank you know.
Yeah.
Boy.
Yeah, wheel you up.
Now wheel up your back, don't it? That you want?
Yes.
Nice wife. It look like where you did
Then you have to use cocoa butter paddy.
Nice wife. You know, say it look like where you did young, you did danger, you did like it look roughish, don't talk it truth. You did love that look a gangster something.
I'll know if they get it.
What you mean I'll know? Listen to me. I hope you're not doing nothing.
If they get it rough, me take
Listen
it.
to me, boy. If you get it rough, you take it off.
What you think?
Listen to me now. You're not supposed to be doing anything now. You're not supposed to be doing anything now. Okay. Read the Bible. Read the Bible and go crush it.
Stop called soda.
Read the Bible and go crush it.
Me read my Bible.
I'm going to do some
you know
crushing.
they say.
What?
Goshe.
Yeah, what?
Can we call soda, we don't call it aerated water?
Irritated water, what?
Well, no, a soda. Me take any soda can.
Nice wife. You know, say you deep going back in the Jamaican archives a while ago, you know. You know, say, you know, say some young, you know, say some young people like Pretty Punchy and them don't know what you say a while ago when you say irritated water. People, you don't know, say that we used to call soda Jamaica, irritated up, me mama clot, nice wife, and what you gonna dig up that one day?
Always in a back.
No, my mother always.
They don't have that no more.
No, but
they have soda can and me can't take soda can any day.
No, them sell soda in a buckle, nice wife. You just not see them. Them still sell
well,
soda.
me not deal with the buckle.
No, because I remember you want to know about when you grew up.
Give me a can.
In a can, yeah, yes, Prezi. No, when we grew up, when my mother used to call it irritated water, D&G. You know, it was only D&G. It was only D&G soda, right?
Yes.
And irritated water. Hey.
And Canada dry.
Nice wife.
You forget Canada dry.
You used to drink Canada dry?
He used to come from Canada.
No, but hold on, man. You don't know, so when we did young and my mother, I think, I just 1 and 2 times the foreigner them we bring Canada dry. Like, ghetto people and poor people never drink Canada dry. But you did not drink Canada dry, nice wife. I saw you did a roll. Nice
yes,
wife.
Son.
What?
Yes, son.
Nah, man, I'm like a once a year foreign lick water. You get to sip a look of Canada dry from foreign. When we grew up with a look of one foreign Wrigley's.
Christmas time.
Yeah. Nice wife. When we grew up, you know, and Christmas come and them give you like a Wrigley's from foreign. Nobody could have chat to you, you know. Nice wife. We chew out the Wrigley's for 3 days straight. We chew out it cloth same way. It's because
when it get tough.
All when it get tough because it is different from the local bubble gum. So if you just eat bubble gum, the little thick pink one where them used to sell, not they never did that one for you. And thing, you know, but you see if you could have a foreign Wrigley's. You chew that cloth till all 5 days, you just chew your jaw corner pain the way you chew out that. Nice wife, don't come off of the phone. Them say we have to take a 3-minute break because on Friday, you know them the top of the hour something, yeah?
All right,
but don't move, you know. Just go on the bathroom, go pee and come back or something, but don't leave. We're so forward. Watch it right, people. We're there till 12 o'clock. Don't move a muscle. Ragashanti live on the Bridge 99 FM at Jamaica and on IrieJam Radio in New York City. Soon forward. Yeah, man. Welcome back up in our juggling and thing. Ragashanti live on the Bridge 99 FM. Nice wife still there, right? Nice wife still there?
Yeah, man. Yeah,
okay, Yes,
yeah,
nice. Yeah. Somebody today I say, you just bring me back in the, you know, where you can bring up the irritated water something and thing. I remember when Christmas, you know, through Christmas I come up, I remember, you know, Grand Market and Pepper Light and, you know, them look something about. But and then my mother know she used to buy a crate of drinks from October and keep it under the bed the whole time, you know. And just a torture with something.
Right,
and
me know.
And then when Christmas come, we get with irritated water. And me, they like cola champagne. Yes. And my sister, they like pineapple. And my mother said, none of we know.
They like cola champagne.
No, but well, I know. My mother was a revivalist, you know. So she did have 4 cream soda at the 4 corner of the crate, and we couldn't touch them there. Listen to me now, man.
Touch me, right?
We couldn't touch a cream soda them. But we could have drink with irritated water from Christmas, go right back to New Year's. And after that, free paper bun.
Yep.
Them days there.
And then we wait till the D&G truck come.
Yeah.
Don't gully, that's how we carry, how we get back with money.
Well, don't gully. I wish by you attack. How are you they live? Which gully you attack?
Lovely.
Oh, I love
gully.
Yes, you say a ring get home, man. Lovely, man. Proper Sydney, you know. Gangster place that, you know.
Yep. But Raga, you see gully in a name, and gully a real name, you know.
How?
The real name is William Street.
Okay.
And the star will come after independence 1962. Wash out everybody out of it. And that's when they start calling gully.
Okay.
Not gully.
Well, that's how it going on. No place.
And then postman and telegram man, everybody will have them garden. in the yard, a gully. That was William Street.
William Street.
In your Raga.
Yeah.
You see the man where you just talk about with his son and his daughter-in-law and the picnic?
Yeah, I have a pretty punchy post.
You know,
yeah.
I mean, just... Yeah, you know, I mean, just sit down here so I remember. My father always say, you see Anansi?
A what?
Mr. Anansi?
Anansi, yeah.
Mr. Nancy.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Anansi said 2 trouble better than 1. But a lie, I tell. You know why he said 2 trouble better than 1?
Why, nice wife? Tell me.
The same day Anansi wife are married. And the same day Anansi wife dead. So he said 2 trouble. What? Married a trouble and dead a trouble. But Raga lie, I tell. You think so?
Well, that makes sense, you know, because it's like, say, I'm, you know, if my wife, I get married to somebody else, right? That's something bad, right?
Mm-hmm.
But then, according to the analogy, you know,
and him I get married, you know.
Who I get married?
Nancy himself I get married.
Okay.
And the same day Nancy I get married, his mama dead.
His mother dead or the wife dead? His mother dead or the wife dead?
No, man. The same day him go before pass with the new wife I'm married.
Yeah.
And the same day then call him, tell him say mama dead.
Okay.
So he said, no, 2 trouble better than 1.
Well, me not see.
Because where the trouble come from, you married a trouble.
Yeah.
And the dead a trouble. So at this man, you know, he gonna lift up ants nest. And him get caught tonight. For no say the son and of him.
That's
so
right.
2 trouble you have funny and you know.
Exactly.
You understand?
And every fractal for lift
All right.
And every fractal for lift up.
All right.
You make your manage around that.
And people, they always say, you see, rock stone fall off a hilltop. Make it roll. When it roll and sit down, left it, because you don't know what under the rock stone.
Tell him that one day again, nice wife. Tell him that one day again.
You know, upon hilltop.
Yeah.
Have a whole rock stone.
Yes, yeah.
If you see the rock stone and fall, make it roll.
Make it
roll.
Yeah.
And when it tap,
yeah.
Don't go underneath it because you don't know what
under there.
The flat stone.
People are want to listen to wisdom.
Let people business alone.
Leave it alone. And see the whole house come tumble down for the nastiness, you know.
All right.
See it there.
All right.
Aye, boy. But learning lesson, do it, don't.
Let people...
In learning lesson, do it, don't.
They no more.
All right.
They no more. You can't bet how him a cussing thing there.
A cussing what?
He's thing.
Probably a cussing woman who give him the jacket all these years when him never know.
I know you, woman.
No.
I the thing there in the course.
I the thing
third leg.
Oh, I third leg. Probably never did that work and him have to hold a jacket, no.
All right.
All right, nice wife. They're going to bunk some other
so
car.
Next time you make sure you know.
Yeah.
Make sure you know. Me not say it for next time.
No, man, me know what you mean, man. Big up yourself, nice wife. You know Raga love you like that and the things seal up.
All right, me love you, yeah.
All right, boo-boo. You just stay strong,
I'll touch you soon.
Oh, don't say another word, man. Our link strong like that, man. All right? Blessings.
All right, Rag. Love you.
Raga loves you. Man,
you better know it because if you don't love me, you know, wheel up my body, you know. Oh.
Yeah, I'm back better for wheel up. Yeah, spanking off a guan.
Yeah.
All right, then bless
up,
man. Bless up. Yeah, big up all of the women who have some hot hairstyle right now we smell good. I say big up all of the women who have some hot hairstyle we smell good. All right. Prezi, I will give you a joke. Next call, hello.
Hello, good night, Raga. This is Brittany. May I give my 2 cents on the DNA thing? When me think about the DNA thing.
Yes.
All right. Well, I don't. If the government are go pay for most of them DNA there, it will done.
No, yeah, it would be an automatic thing where the state would be responsible for. You not take no, you don't mean the money from you.
Because a lot of a man.
Yeah.
When them figure do that.
Yeah.
According to what me hear, you see?
Yeah.
Me say 41,000 for do DNA.
Yeah.
Me one man attack, so I don't know how true it is.
Yeah.
But that is what me hear.
I ain't them region there. It varies, but I ain't them region there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and by the way, people in New York and all over, remember, say we have calls coming in from Jamaica, as is the case with Brittany here. All right, go on, yeah.
So, in a case where a woman have pregnant and a 32 man name call, right?
Yeah.
Then they believe all of them 32 man there, if they figure find money individually, I go find it, them not have it.
No, but that is not the way. From what I heard with the proposal, it's not the each man going to require to do the DNA test. It would be state sanctioned. So it's one test we do, and then if each one, well, I haven't thought this out yet, but I see what you're saying now. Yeah, because if she brings somebody and them say another one day. But they will be testing the men,
Yes, that is what I'm saying, because me know a situation already, a lady pregnant and a 32 man name call.
Hold on, Brittany. No, hold on. You know, say a while ago when they said 32, I thought you were just using the 32 as like a random number for just highlight the point. Are you telling me that a woman breed one time and push out picnic and a 32 man name call for two?
Yes, 32 man name call.
Hold on, Brittany. You serious?
Me so like me joking to you.
Hold on. When this happened?
It happened. When I was living in a different community. I'm living in Manchester now. When I was living in a different.
A 32 man name call?
Yes, 32 man name call. So, if I saw...
All right, make we just say that even though a 32 man name call, it doesn't mean she did sleep with all 32 man. Because me know cases where man name call and him never sleep with a woman. So is that possible too? So it must mean she sleep with the 32 of them. But even if she sleep with half of them 16, then that's so she did not go hard. No,
yes.
Sir.
Wally Patriot man.
What?
Mechanic. Tyler. Taxi man, postman, every man. So
what you say? What you say? Be a tradesman, Tyler.
Be a tradesman.
Carpenter, Mason,
all of them.
Taxi man, tailor, woodcutter. What you say? I see that now.
Black, dark complexion man. Some look half Indian, and the whole works.
Well, perhaps she just wanted to uplift her community. And she was just offering her services to, entertaining the menfolk of the community in order for them to remain in good spirits. Perhaps what she was doing was a public service. You don't think so?
No, but at her age, she was very young, so too much man name should not call.
Oh,
at the age of 15. No.
Whoa, stop this, sir. She was 15?
Yes, she was 15 and 32 man name call.
Then, Brady, that is not good. That is, even if the 32 man, that I be a rape that. I be a rape
exactly.
That is statutory rape. That is a child. According to that is the law, so that is a child.
Yeah.
You serious?
So, yes. So if ladies want to be frisky, because in my estimation, me no say she no get raped, but she did like the joke too.
Yeah, but remember, our stance on this, it don't care how much the child don't care how much the child may demonstrate, say she like it. She's still a child. So whether she like it from here till eternity, that is irrelevant.
Yes,
right?
but rather some of these mothers, they know about it, because At one point, the mother was told, and according to the mother, she have her pitney for help she. Right?
Well, sadly, I know of several of those cases where the mother unfortunately make them teenage daughter, 13, 14, 15, go get involved with man in order to secure rewards from the men and things like that. Go pimp out them data, unfortunately, that is true. But basically, you're not opposed to the DNA run when they pit them band, though. But you just said, no, shouldn't bear the cost. The people them shouldn't bear the cost. Okay. All right.
No.
All right, then.
Yeah,
blessings.
Man.
All right, Brittany. Big up your boss to me, yeah?
Yeah, man. All right.
Yeah, man. Okay, people. Should them run a DNA test? Should the Jamaican government give it a proposal that was made? Make it law that DNA test run at birth when the pitney them born and thing like that. And I am on record, I say it for Guan, and I am on record also being a little bit concerned and also disappointed that what I have observed, that the people who are opposed to this, and me just tell you when me see and when me hear, me don't know what anybody else here are see. Right? But of all the people I hear opposed to it, thus far is one man out of the lot. And the reason why he was opposed to it, it don't even have nothing to do with the actual test. It's because the lawmaker who proposed it go say, we need to do DNA test at birth to decrease domestic violence. So the man who did that oppose it, his thing was, he had a problem with this whole notion that it going to decrease domestic violence. So it's not even like saying it's not even like saying him did oppose to the DNA for do at birth. Him concern was a domestic violence caveat and things. So if me take him out of the picture, everybody who me here so far opposed to it. A woman, why? What's going on there? Give me the next caller, President. Hello. Hello.
Good night, Ragashanti.
Good night.
Yeah. Listen, if you work, and nowadays, if a woman know, you have to make sure, before the baby come out of belly, the DNA test is sure if for the man.
Well, what you basically asked the test for do, the DNA test for do.
Yes, the test will do.
Why?
Nowadays, no.
Why?
Because
why you want the test
to prove.
Yeah?
Yes, to prove, say, after the man kids. Because the man, you are a man with mind kids, but not for them.
No, but allow me to play devil's advocate here for a little bit. Why we cannot just depend on what the woman say? Why you can't just depend on what the woman say? If the woman never gonna tell you who the father is, why you don't want to go with what the woman say? What the woman never say?
No.
Why you don't want to?
No, because, why? No, them a woman nowadays. Then lead them with all sort of flee.
What? Say what? What?
Them a woman nowadays. Then lead them with all sort of flee.
Lord,
so they will get free. So hold on.
Yes,
so any free then. Any free doors fit to suit them, give it to them. But no, it have no more. You look in America now. You ever watch the court TV them? Where the woman carry the pit man them got court to pit man for them pit. And when the DNA test come out for them, the woman them look same.
Well, we see some, but some are really for the man them too, don't it?
Yes, some of them are for really for the men.
Right.
But why you accuse the man say for the man and when DNA test come and for the man? Who looks same?
No, but you don't think
the woman looks him.
You don't think your statement is a little bit too strong when you say them a woman nowadays a beer flea, them asleep.
Them a woman nowadays. Them a woman nowadays. Because them a woman you live with them in the house.
Yes.
And then go. You and them a wife, a husband, what you know, then go pick me by you.
Really?
The man do the same thing too.
What you mean? The woman you mean the woman do them Mr. Never wrong.
Yes.
Woman do them something, Mr. Never. You sure?
Yes. The woman nowadays.
Yeah.
Ragashanti. Me not talk company with them. Me not talk come in no.
No,
but talk come see happen.
But you sure say woman do them something, Mr. You sure?
Yes.
What you say?
Me say yes. The woman, me see woman having husband in a house.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah.
And in go have pitney. Yeah, pitney pan the husband. When I finish husband.
Are you serious, Mr. Never Wrong? That a go on.
Me serious. Me tell you already. Listen, me no compare radio and talk garbage. Me compare radio and talk facts for me know.
Yes.
Me compare radio talk facts for me know. So don't tell me serious. Me compare radio contact facts for me know.
Yes.
Me say them a human I know.
Yeah.
Them a woman I know.
Yeah.
You're in the house as a wife and husband, and then go outside, go pick the boat and answer for you.
Oh,
God. You already know of you. So that's why the DNA test is coming now.
The DNA test run right now. So basically...
the DNA test run to prove to the woman them, and every free then she then go live with.
Jesus have mercy, Mr. Never Wrong.
You know what is free?
What? Will you ask me say a while ago if I know what is flea?
Yes. What is flea?
Well, let me think about it for a second because I want to make sure that I'm correct. What is flea? What is flea? Does flea come in like was?
When you figure it out, call me and tell me.
No, when you call flea, but Mr. Never Wrong. When I say, remember say fly.
Me not to tell you.
Well, Mr. Never Wrong. Remember say fly. Hold on. Remember say fly. Hold on. Well, I say, remember say fly love for pitch pan excrement. You know what is excrement? That is when me have to say on the radio. Fly love to pitch on filth then. I could say filth. You know that, right? Fly love for pitch pan refuse, okay? So at them level, you said the woman them the right know that them asleep with filth?
Yes.
Jesus.
Exactly. Them woman nowadays.
Jesus.
The woman, you and him married in the house, living in the house.
Yeah.
And then go outside, go a picnic pan you. I want to give it to you. Yes. Them woman nowadays. That's why me tell you say, none care no more.
So what I
done the woman no.
Nah, man, but basically I say we have to trust them woman nowadays. That you
can't trust them.
You can't what?
No, you can't trust them.
You can't trust them.
You know when a woman you can't find one woman when a woman a man with you or a woman with a man.
Oh.
You know you can know?
Oh.
In the hostel where you and him live.
Wait.
You know when a woman we have man paying in the house. You know that?
Oh, you know.
In the house where you and him live, tell you.
In the house where you and I live, tell you.
Liz, as long as you live at that house, you will know.
No, man, Mr. Never, let me tell you something. I can't tell you where you make a mistake a while ago. You mind if I tell you?
What do you say me make?
Okay.
Tell me.
No, I'm going to tell you now. You see, what you just say, no make no sense.
Yeah.
Because...
No make no sense.
Hold on, listen me, no man. Hold on, let me tell you first.
Well, man. Listen to you.
No, listen.
Listen.
All right. You see, anybody go born with somebody in the house when them live with them man or them woman, them stupid. But listen this. You know who mostly carry the people who them are born with, go in the house where them live with them partner, man. Suppose me tell you, say most woman, unless them have one truck driver, one will go for year, for go and drive for weeks and months, or them in the military and them gone for a while. Most woman, when them are born them man, they would never bring the man in the house where them live with them husband or them man. A man make that mistake there. So, Mr. Never, when you did young and you did a get born and you did have your woman who you live with, don't when you did a get born, you bring the woman where you are born with in the house where you did live with your woman, don't it?
No, that never happened to me.
What you say what?
That never happened to me because number one, me never carry one woman in the house. When me and the woman live together.
No, so hold on. So when you did when you did a get born when you're young, you never bring the woman in the house where you live with your woman.
No, but me never get born. Me never notice born, but me never do it.
Well, Mr. Never Wrong. Well, Mr. Never Wrong.
Listen.
You never give on yet. Never in all your life. You never give on. You lie, you tell. Lie, you tell. Lie, you tell, Mr. Never Wrong. Lie, you tell. Lie, you tell. Lie, you tell. You tell a lie. So you never give on yet. All right, talk. Talk.
Listen, let me go to any decent man.
Yeah.
Was have ambition.
Yeah.
He now no say have woman. He not going to say have man. A woman now who can next one in it.
Okay.
He's not going to do it.
Sure.
Learn that.
Yes, yeah.
Any decent man, even yourself, you can't say you have class. You're not going to care one woman in a house where you live with a woman.
That is true.
You're not going to do it.
I would never do that.
You're not going to do it.
I would never do that.
You're not no class and you're not no ambition.
I may have class ambition. I would never do that. I would never ever do that.
Exactly. You're not going to do that.
Never.
So,
never.
I'll tell you one more time.
Yeah.
Hold on. I'll tell you one more time. I'll say, them are women nowadays. When you find you find they have man, in the house tell you.
In the house.
As long as you live at that house.
But Mr. Never Wrong, you don't feel say you're being a little bit too hard on the woman, man. You don't believe.
I know hard, Mr. Man. You have to face reality now.
Yeah.
Reality, you have to face.
I saw the woman them a move now, don't?
Yes, you have to face reality now, Mr. Ragashanti.
Okay.
Reality now, you have to face.
Jesus.
Because nowadays you're a woman now, and you so you now work for a week or 2 weeks. Into the push out team out. Into the push out team out, Ragashanti.
Jesus. What you say? As soon as you go, hold on. As soon as you go to look at hard time and the money now run and thing, she start push up her mouth and a vex.
Exactly.
Lord have mercy.
Yes. Them are human you know. Them are human you know.
Them are human you know.
Them are human you know.
Them are human you know.
Yes, them are human now. Take your pants and your shirt, go put it on one machine and wash it. They not do it.
Them not do it. Jesus.
No, they're not going to. They not do it.
Why that?
Listen, you never believe. Listen, Mr. Santi, you never believe what me say no, and you never agree with what me say. And so what me say happen. Me talk of experience. Me know. And me talk of a reality. What me know.
No, but Mr. Never Wrong. When I say not because it happened to you, you believe say it happened to everybody else.
It never happened to me. Me never. First comments. Let me tell you something. If me married to a woman, if me married to a woman, so me married to if me married to a woman,
yeah,
I'm still life.
Yeah.
When me ain't feel live on now, I got me gonna live him.
What you say? What? And you say what?
I say, if me married to a woman,
yeah,
I me see the life of me and him feel live.
Yeah.
But in the eyesight of God and in our work, I got me gonna live him.
God, you gonna live far. God, you gonna live far.
Yes.
But
and when me left him, me build myself more stronger.
All right, let me ask you something, Mr. Never Wrong. What the wickedest thing a woman ever do to you?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, me never find a woman do wicked things to me. Never.
No.
I have to lie to you.
No.
Me never find. Listen, me live with one woman for 35 years. 35 years me living. Me and me never no problem. Never yet. We move.
All right. So, but in the 35 years, you did born her with anybody else?
No.
All right then. And you think so she did born you?
No.
And this is the American woman, right? Hold on.
The American lady.
The American lady. Okay, where you did married, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right then. So before the American lady and the woman them who you did there with before that and thing, any of them ever do you anything wicked?
No.
All right.
We never find that.
All right then. Then tell me something now. What you did explain to me about the nurse the woman who was a nurse and then she go in a store, go clutch and thief or for something them in a store. I never you that did happen to?
No, it happened to my brother.
Oh, that happened to your brother? Oh, me think I you it happened to.
No. Listen to me. First comment. Let me explain something. You see for your thief?
Yeah.
For your thief?
Yeah.
Me not nothing to do with you.
No.
None. For me friends your puss, your finger not for you?
Yeah.
Me not nothing to do with you.
All right.
Because me not believe in a criminal activity.
Okay.
not believe in criminal
but why if
activity.
the woman thief from you? Why if you like you have some money and she take it and hide and thief it from you? And as somebody who you're there with for a long time. That's all right though. You can work with that.
No woman what have class and have ambition. Not go do that to you.
Okay.
No woman what have class and have ambition is not going to do that to you.
All right, what you think about that woman who you give her money for go buy something and she get change and she don't bring back a change come give? What you think about them?
No, number one, if you live with that woman, listen, if you live with that woman, whether you even live with him, say no, and you give him money for go buy something, if you want to bring back change, is at him. If you don't want to bring, is at him.
But if she not bring back the change, then what you do? You just work with it and cool, don't?
Listen what I'm saying clearly. I say, if no woman want me give money to go buy something, he never give me back no change.
Oh, she never give you back no change?
No, he never give me back no change.
Oh,
because the money want me give for him.
I fear her money that. Sure.
The money want me give, the money for him.
No, I know the woman them big up now, you know, Mr. Never Wrong. I know. You see, I read them hear that now.
No woman may have, Roland, no woman my friend with.
Yeah.
That's why I say, when me go to that woman, me make sure go with money. And no care what I have enough in pocket. Me not want him spending with me. He may spend with somebody, but not around me.
No, but Mr.
Not
Never
around me, Ragashanti.
Well, Mr. Never Wrong. Now, them nowadays, woman, you know, them say, you see, if you get them good. You see, from them run the sort out for you, Mr. Never Wrong. You see, from them give some good loving, them deserve the world, right? Them woman nowadays say, anyhow, you get them good. From you get them chun, from you get them tun, from you get them them nanny and thing. Them say them deserve the world. So what you think about that?
No,
what you say about that?
We don't, no. Yes, woman, no care what man, no care what the woman have. You know want it.
Oh.
Me turn up be a man. Woman tell man say.
Yeah.
The woman tell the man so.
Yeah.
He give him anything, but if he go bed now.
So the woman say what?
Me turn up. Hear the man tell the Jamaican too. The woman tell so. He tell the woman say I buy you anything. The woman tell him say I buy you.
The woman or the man say? The woman say to the man.
The woman listen to me clearly.
Yeah.
Listen to me clearly.
Yeah.
I say.
Yeah.
I turn up.
Yeah.
Here, one woman.
One Jamaican woman.
She's American woman.
What?
Tell the Jamaican man say, I will buy you anything. I will buy you anything you want. If you want money, buy also. But if you go bed, no. If you go bed, no.
Who said no?
The woman tell him so.
The woman tell him no.
The woman, listen to me clearly. The woman tell the man say, I will give you anything. Money. Buy your clothes, buy whatever. If you want, you pay your marks, I will give you. But if you go bed, no.
So, and this was an American woman or a Jamaican woman?
I think it was it was an American woman.
American.
Tell him so.
Okay, American woman tell him so. So
tell the Jamaican guy so.
Tell the Jamaican guy so. And then the Jamaican guy, what the Jamaican?
Yes.
Okay. So, but remember you said the American woman them treat you better than the Jamaican woman them, you know? Remember you said that?
Yes, and treat you better because the American woman them in the boss man. Yeah. Ragashanti.
Yeah.
You never find out. Yeah. If you find one of them from down south, then treat you like a king.
So well on. So right now,
as long as you don't.
Hold on. If me, hold on. May I ask you something now? If me I look at a woman right now, and me I say, you know, say me want either a Jamaican woman or an American woman. Which one of them you say me if go for? Me, Ragashanti, if go for right now.
Me not, listen to me. Me not tell you who you go about what. Me just tell you I experience what me know.
Yeah, say what?
Me just tell you I've knowledge what me know.
Yeah, but which one of them better? Which one better?
I said, me not go tell you who to go. Is your child.
You said that already. So me I say, which one you think is better?
Better?
Yeah.
I think you should go with the American.
The American.
Yes.
And before you go, explain to us now, What is the difference between the American woman and the Jamaican woman that make the American woman better? Tell me now, what is the difference now?
The difference with the American woman,
yeah,
as long as you treat him with respect.
Treat her, yeah.
With respect.
Yeah, yeah.
You respect him, he respect you.
Yeah.
You're going, you cook, game, and
cook, gear, so give she, so gear, give her, so gear, cook and gear.
Gear her, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And, no woman call the house. That's it.
No, but we have a problem here, Mr. Never Wrong. Because me can't really cook good, me can't cook. So how that going to work?
Listen to me. Hold on. If you can't cook,
yeah,
the woman will cook. And if the one can't cook, if the one can't cook the food,
yeah,
show him if he cook it for you.
No, but when I try, I don't want to really sound away, but enough of them American women, well, it's the woman them down south, a lot of them can cook. But enough of them American women, they can't really cook, and when they cook and them claim, say,
yeah,
them,
but
well, Mr. Never Wrong, listen, man, you don't know, say, American women, them, some of them, I know, them claim about them a cook for you, what them call cook? Them boil spaghetti and throw ragu or prego sauce on it and say them cook for you. So, if me can't cook and them can't cook, how that going to work? Okay. Mr. Never Wrong. Look like Mr. Never Wrong phone. Prezi, are you hang up your man phone to you want to take a break? No. Prezi, I bet you make Mr. Never Wrong cuss you. I bet you make Mr. Never Wrong cuss you, Prezi. Prezi, I bet you make Mr. Never Wrong cuss you. Watch and see. Watch and see. We'll take a break. We're so forward.
You're listening to IrieJam.
While I originate, others trying to imitate.
IrieJam, the most imitated Caribbean sound north of Montego Bay.
Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live. Ragashanti live.
Yeah, man, welcome back up another juggling Ragashanti live in your ears right and up on the big bar, the bridge, 99 FM, inside the beautiful island of Jamaica, and also on IrieJam Radio right here in New York City. You don't know what's up on a Friday night, we juggle until 12 midnight. And I just want to remind you, if you're calling from New York or anywhere in the United States of America or Canada, the toll-free number is as follows. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. Again, the number is 888-546-8742. Calling from the United States or Canada, the number is 888-546-8742. And if you're calling from Jamaica, that number is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. Jacket mix-up. If you don't have any mix-up with anybody, get a jacket, give it a link and make we hear what go on. Or if you don't have any other drama, any other mix-up you want to talk about, just make the link and talk up with things. In the meantime, to the phone lines we go. Greetings in the night, yeah, what go on?
Yes, me again.
Oh, okay, your phone. Okay, we are going to close off now and thing or whatever. But yes, Mr. Never Wrong and thing. Yeah, say boy, the American woman the thing there. But Mr. Never Wrong, one last question and thing. I mean, I want you vex and thing. I know you say, your preference is for the American woman. But I just want to ask you a straight up question. And I don't want you shy away from the question and thing. All right? Mm. Between American woman and Jamaican woman, who have the better sort out?
Who have the better sort out?
Yeah.
Depends on the woman.
No, man. I say, who have the better sort out? Of course, it depends on the woman. But based on your experience, who have the better sort out?
The American sort out better.
The American sort out better than the Jamaican. Why you just say Mr. Never Wrong? Did you just say American woman sort out better than Oh, my God! Oh, my God!
That's what I tell you.
Oh,
I tell you, so depends on the woman. But my believing,
the
American woman.
Okay, all right.
That's how me answer the question to you.
That's right.
It depends on the woman.
All right.
Depends. So me tell you, my believing the American woman because number one,
when
American woman love you,
yeah,
nothing too good for you getting.
Oh, you mean them do everything? Them do everything, don't?
Me say, when American woman love you, no girl, woman.
Yeah.
Because since it was a woman.
Yeah.
You get everything.
Okay.
Everything do. If you not work, he make him get work for you.
Okay. And the and the Jamaican woman them not really do them something there.
Okay. I say one more time. One more time I'm going to close up.
Yeah.
When American woman love you.
Yes.
You get anything from them.
Anything.
And you not to ask them. Anything at all.
So no. Then just ask. So from the Jamaican woman, you not get anything from them too.
No.
Okay.
No.
All right. Argument done.
No.
Make we hear what some other people say. All right. Big up yourself. Hear Mr. Never Wrong. All right then. Good.
All right. Bye.
Lord Jesus. Into my heart. Into my heart. Glory. Come into my heart, Lord Jesus. You know, say the war start. Here we go on. Give me a call, the president. The whole of the line them full up. The whole of the line them full. Hello.
Hi, Raga. How are you?
I'm good. My belly full. I'm full of energy and beer or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just have a comment to make. I would love to hear Dictator and Mr. Never Wrong have a conversation.
Well, them people over there probably don't know who Dictator is, you know. Well, them probably know, you know, because remember, say, I gave Dictator the name when me did dip on that station there in New York City, the other station there, you remember?
Mm-hmm.
Did you know that? You know when Dictator did get him name? You know, no, you probably never did listen to when he did get him name. You just know him from Tambourine Radio, right?
No.
You know him from Tambourine Radio.
Yes.
Okay, all right. You never know when him get him.
Yes, and the name is very suiting.
Okay, all right. So I go on, Boo Boo. Glad to hear your voice,
and
though.
You know what? Yeah, it sounds good. And you know what? And it sounds like Mr. Never Wrong.
Yeah.
Like Missy is his type of woman.
Missy? No, why? You see how you mix up? Oh, Missy drop in here, son. Oh, Missy drop it because I'm say down south, woman down south.
He's that nice down south woman.
No, but here the thing, you know, with Missy now. Let me tell you the enigma with Missy. Missy born in America, you know, and grew up. But let me tell you something. I have never met a woman born outside of Jamaica who, in my humble estimate and assessment, is through and through Jamaican down to our core. Missy is very Jamaican, you know. I have never met a woman born outside of Jamaica, whatever, like, Missy knows something. Missy bust out with some things about Jamaica. So, you know, many times Missy attack, I say, Missy, how the hell you do them something there? No, them that's like American woman don't know them something there. Oh, you know them something there. I don't know how Missy just know. Missy I never couldn't manage Missy.
No, you know, and you know why?
Right.
It's because it's like, okay, sometimes it's little 1 and 2 little things that I know about Jamaica.
Yeah.
And it came from my teacher.
Right.
It came from my teacher.
Yeah.
Well, for me, it was the teacher I had.
The teacher we are.
You know.
Right. Yeah.
Well, my ex-husband.
Right.
Because he the way he proud of his country.
Right.
And every opportunity he get.
Right.
He will bring people to Jamaica.
Right.
Like, no, he want to show you raw Jamaica, not that tourist.
Right. I'm from conversations, you know. Now he really put some Jamaican in you.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not messing with you, boo. I'm not messing with you.
Yes, and I had to put out.
How you deal with it, dog? You know, so what a Jamaica up in you, dog? Sean,
I dealt with it well.
That's right. Glad to hear your voice.
And I just have a comment about the DNA thing.
Yeah,
which
okay.
I think it would be a wonderful thing here, too, as well.
Okay.
But in the case, like the young lady, when she was saying about the 32,
yeah,
well, the state covers one.
right.
So if you know, like I know, try your damnedest to pick the right one.
There you go.
When you do the DNA. After that, when that's not, then it should be on her.
Okay.
To pay.
For PFE.
You know.
Okay.
You know, if to pay for any others after.
Okay. All
because
right.
the government shouldn't have to, you know.
Yeah.
That could end up being quite expensive.
Yeah, pay for 32. All right, Shonda Boo. Thank you, Boo Boo. Raga loves you.
Yes. Take care. Love you too, dear. Take care.
All right, sweetie. You take care now. Shonda there outside of CT, Connecticut. Next call, Prezi. Senan, Rinse. Hello.
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 Good evening, Raga.
Good night.
And how are you today? I like your program.
Why, thank you.
You're a mess.
Long time.
You're a mix-up.
For a long time.
I know that. You're a mix-up.
Yeah, so what you saying that night, you know?
Let me tell you something.
Uh-huh.
This man claims him love woman. The woman them him love American.
Yes, Mr. Never Wrong.
I don't see no man in the world that I love more than the JA man, the Jamaican. I would trade him for all the money in the world. All the money in the world.
No, but that
because I am good, bad, and indifferent.
No, but you just said Jamaican men, you know, that you say.
Jamaican man.
Right, but but he wouldn't disagree with that.
Well, here now, he needs to check himself.
No, but he
because a lot of them.
His thing is with his issue is with Jamaican women. Him not a problem. When you say when him hear you say you would never hold on. No, hold on, listen up. When him hear you say you will never take nobody else over a Jamaican man. Him a listen and say exactly. That is what Mr. Never Wrong is saying right now. Huh?
A lot of men, a lot of them men.
Yeah.
When they can't get there and do what they want to do, Jamaican woman, something wrong with us.
Oh, so that go on, Mr. Never Wrong. That go on, Mr. Never Wrong.
Hello. When they can't do what they want to do, something wrong with us. So it's okay. But I wouldn't trade my Jamaican man for another day.
No, but well, let me ask you something now.
You have good, you have bad and indifferent.
No.
Okay?
Well, on all things being equal, right? If you have a choice between two men, and one of them would do anything for you, give you the world and do anything for you. And the next one have some, hold on, and the next one have some limitations, right? Which one are more likely to talk?
Listen, I see the Jamaican one. We can't put things together. Talk it out and do the right thing.
No, well, I never said. I never said anything to you about a Jamaican.
You want me to tell me say now?
Hold on. You know, you're not listening to me. You just attack. You're not listening to me.
All right.
I never said the hypothetical options I presented to you just now did not include a Jamaican man. I ask you a question. If you have a choice between two men, let us just say there are two Jamaican men, right? And one of them would give you anything in the world and would do anything and just adore you and devote it to you and would do anything for you, right? The way you love you. And the next one, him not going to do anything for you. He would do something for you but have some limitations and in a very, very different. Which one you more likely to talk to?
If there are two Jamaican, we're going to take the one to do everything.
All right. So, you did hear what Mr. Never Wrong say. If say, Mark, you mean I agree with him. Someone want to see me on road and beat me. But what he's saying is, what he's saying is, American women, right? Him said they will do anything for you and do and just be devoted to you and do anything for you. And him said the Jamaican woman them nah do that. So he's basically saying he's going to the one who would do anything for him and treat him better.
I know, but I tell you something. Sometimes you hear, if you hear the two, I know, but sometimes when you hear the two, if you have to hear the next side of the story, it's a different thing.
No,
hold on.
I am not agreeing with him, you know. I am not agreeing with him. I'm just telling you what he's saying.
I didn't say agree with him. I didn't say it, but I'm saying it's two sides to a story.
But me just
in
say,
one side, you must hear the other side.
Right, and that is why, we open the phone line. But I just want you to know that me hear what you say, and I know it sound funny, I defend, so and so over Jamaican thing, but I want to tell you things that change out there now too, Suppose I tell you a lot of Jamaican women now are dating outside of Jamaica. Yes, sir. Did you know that?
I know that, but like I said, it was good, bad, and indifferent. You pick.
Right.
Until you find the one you need.
Right.
That's right.
All right, last question.
But like I said, I would
last question.
Good, bad, and indifferent.
What do you think that it's him say he would rather date American woman over Jamaican woman?
That's all right.
Would you would you be equally shall we say concerned or upset, with Jamaican women who would prefer not to date Jamaican men?
No, to each his own.
Okay, all right then.
To each his own.
All right.
But like I said, I wouldn't trade the Jamaican man.
Okay.
No.
Hold on. And just before you hold on. Just before you go, what is the thing you love most about Jamaican men? Tell me the two things. Tell me two things where you love most.
Listen to me. You have Jamaican men that are very good, nice, gentle, treat you like a queen.
Right.
Treat you like a queen. The best, you get the best from them. Everything that is good.
Nice.
Treat you like a queen. Takes care of you.
Oh.
Everything.
Oh.
And you have some that is no good.
Okay.
Because I don't beat around the bush. You have some is no good.
Me just ask you, we just tell me two things that are positive, and things. So you say.
Yeah, you have come to Jamaica men that are beautiful. Treat you like a queen.
Okay, all right.
I have some, when you see them, you run.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
All right.
All right, then. Blessing.
So,
yeah. President.
Yes,
yeah, man.
okay.
Respect. Cool. Send me an next caller, President. Hello. Prezi. Yeah, greetings. Hello, caller. Caller. Yeah, hello. Talk up.
Raga?
Uh-huh.
Long time listener, first time caller from 2011.
I lie.
Raga, when you gonna do about the topic, the wife and the matey?
I don't know if you're over Ragashanti TV and you talk about wife and matey clash. I know that you talk about.
Yeah, no, right. Because me just get link up back with you, but me just do that, because, Raga, the matey them forward, they appear like them, I tell.
No, but remember, sir, when me show run, you can just call and talk about what you want to. So when you say I be a lie, the matey them, I tell. Oh, yeah. Oh, people, no, people. Well, people, she's referring to things that over Ragashanti TV, over YouTube, over there, so the Mixup Entertainment. There's a whole heap of things over there for them to listen and laugh and enjoy on themselves and learn nothing about Jamaica. So when you say the matey them, I tell lie?
Raga, like when you go to school, you have to sign the code of conduct. You meet them, then I read the code of conduct. We have to do a handbook for the mate them read.
Like, what tell me some of the ways where the mate them are violate, because them don't know for juggle them thing.
Raga, you know, they eat patty and the crumbs, all mate get the crumbs outside patty.
You sure?
Yes, Raga, appear lie, the mate them I tell Raga. Appear lie them I tell Raga.
Nah, but not for the mate them I say. Not for the mate them I say. The man them I
tell them think, Raga. The man them have the turn. The man them Raga. The man them turn them in an idiot. Them just a listen when man them tell them Raga, and I hit them a work with no go so.
So when the mate them I say them, hold on, you're not hear what me I say now. So when the mate them I say, them I get better treatment than the wife in them modern times. That them saying in the past it wasn't the case, but nowadays them say mate them say them have more freedom, and at the same time them now have to do enough of the stressful things them with the wife them have to do. But them say them get better treatment and them have more freedom. You have said that a lie. The mate them I tell.
Raga, a lie them I tell. Raga, what is better treatment? Raga, remember, wife things secure, no, Raga. That's a sense of security, Raga, me not say me I get good treatment in that are like 2% in a raga. When me used to go to college, me now go say matey. Man used to send matey. Me know girl with matey and a man pay them 200, 300 school fee. Me know that raga, that are like 2%.
Yeah.
And I want to go have sense. Raga, them a matey and no ambition, raga. If them say them a get things out of man, raga, them not show it then. If you get things out of money, you're not sure. It don't make no sense, brother.
No. Me know a situation where a man buy the matey Benz and buy the wife a Honda.
That's what I'm saying, brother. Of course, the matter is when me I go to college, me know matey will get their school fee pay. Me know things, brother. But me I tell you, that's a small percent. No for them, I pay nice, my matey, I make a pay nice, I make.
No, but what is your point then? What is your point then for counter that? All right, well on,
right, I'm saying.
Hold on. Prezi, keep up. We have to take a break here. And time we do the Friday show, top of the hour, 3 minutes from the top of the hour here. We have to take off 3 minutes, the station, 93.5. But stay online. We're coming back to you because you get eating about this thing and we need to get to the bottom, right? We're soon forward, people.
Yes.
And in the meantime, people, we have 1 more hour for going at the show. We're soon forward. In the meantime, we're just go over to Ragashanti TV and subscribe to my Mixup Entertainment channel on YouTube. Ragashanti TV on YouTube. Go over there right now and just click the subscription button. It's free. Do it now. All right? We're soon forward.
This is Diane Stewart, and you're listening to my dad, the awesome Ragashanti, on Bridge 99 FM.
Wait, President, we're back? Oh, that brother, I screech. Yo, people back up in the juggling. Ragashanti live in the ears on the Big Bad Bridge 99 FM on the IrieJam radio in New York City, Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. Ragashanti live Monday nights, Wednesday nights, and Friday nights from 9 p.m. Monday nights, Wednesday nights, and Friday nights from 9 p.m. on the Bridge 99 FM in Jamaica. On Friday night, the show is simulcast, as you're hearing right now in New York City, again from 9 p.m. And we're going to juggle back to the caller now who did over Ragashanti TV on YouTube, where some of the Ragashanti Live classic feature people and I deal with the topic and matey and wifey and this whole thing, but who I get the better treatment and all them something there, whatever. And she's contending here assertively, vociferously, somewhat aggressively, that I lie to me at them I tell, right? I will say, right, me talk about it over and over. Back in the day when we grew up in a dancehall, to be a mate was an insult, a profound insult. Enough war start from that woman when anybody call woman mate. Now, we see where thousands and thousands of women are embracing the mate moniker. You can look up that. It's a name, M-O-N-I-K-E-R. And owning it and embracing it and say, this are the thing there and say them a mate. All right? Because them say mate, all things being equal, them say mate, I get the better treatment than wife. Right? And the sister in here say, I lie them I tell. Bringing back the call of the president. Hello? Yeah. Hello? Prezi. Right, she gone? Hello? Hello? Well, me not here on the president, so let's bring in our next call. Bring in our next call, president, without the time for this. A Friday. President, bring in our next call. Hello? Hello? Check. President, hello? President, hello?
Raga.
Greetings, yeah.
Evening.
Yeah, evening.
Mama Dan here.
Mama Dan, where you say?
From Calabar.
Oh, we are, well, I don't want to talk about it. Dan, where go on, boo-boo?
Me die, my son, me die.
In
the coldness of New York, yeah.
You see, a New York.
My friend, Princess. Queens with there. I've sort fin, lay code.
Okay, nice. Boy, just nice to hear your voice.
Me too, man, all these years, man. Me always listen to you.
Me always a listener, man. Me die, man. Me retire 2012 and come up 2013.
Nice. People, wanna know a Ragashanti? We not hide the something of them, you know. We don't hide the something of them. We not big up on a native son, Ragashanti. With him Ph.D. Ragashanti is an anthropologist. Ragashanti is a psychotherapist. Ragashanti graduated from Vassar College, get him masters in Ph.D. and in bachelor and rate him. But Ragashanti, when Ragashanti did there at Jamaica and I go school and thing, he was a troubled child, getting in trouble and going out the road, got thief for people them things from supermarket and I sell it and all them stuff there, whatever. And when me go up and leave food fair, go thief for people them things up there and get catch. I mean, what about probably like, 13 year old them time that? Yeah. And the people then catch me and beat out my cloth or whatever. And when me come back a Calabar, enough people turn them back for me and whatever and think I never have nothing with me. And you see this lady here showed me so much love. And said, come here, somebody pick me too. And give me food and treat me good and always check in for me for years after, just always I show me love. Miss Dan right here, something. Me not forget that, man. You know, forget them something there, you know, Miss Dan. When people show it, when the world turn them back on you and the people, certain people stand up with you and hold it with you, you remember them people, and man, I want me to you. But Miss Dan, I don't me alone in it stay so with you know. It's just like the whole like the whole of it was your picnic.
Boy, everybody member.
Yeah, like the whole of it was your picnic.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Yeah,
yes, sir.
Them time them are bad, you know.
Yeah, man.
Remember when me I run we and go on a Ochi and then send the Calabar bus for me? You remember the guidance council was like one Chinese man. You remember that Chinese man that was the guidance council?
Yeah, man. Yes, man.
And them send Calabar bus to me at Ochi Race police station and thing and put me missing in a star and bring me right back down there. And as soon as me come in at the canteen, Kingsley, come here. You don't like it. And where you run, where I go?
Yes, man. May I tell you, Kingsley? Plenty people know say Kingsley, your name, you know.
No, man, they know me. Them used to Ragashanti, but a Kingsley, you know.
Yes.
Yeah,
man, Kingsley Stewart. Yeah, man. Yes.
But me just know, man, I just want to thank you for them love there and just you know when you're them age you don't even know what you're doing in the world. You just dead there and then you know when you look back you can remember who did show you love and thing and me I tell you
yes man. Me say them boy never forgot me, man. They never forgot me.
I saw you stay with the whole of
never forgot.
Are you always full of joke too, you know? Are you killing with joke, you know? Man?
Yes, man. Yes.
Oh, God, you know.
Yeah, man.
It's so nice to hear your voice. And, you know, again, thank you for everything you did for me back then.
I have a cell phone number, too. For my friend, give me your cell phone number.
Mad thing. All right. Blessings, man. All right?
Yes, man.
So keep it linked.
Yeah, man.
Friend. And a Queens with there, too, you know, so we need for link here.
Yes, man. So you can, all right. Me call up on your cell phone. I will link up,
all right? That's our word, Miss Dan. All right.
Stay blessed now, Miss Son. Yes, man. Yeah, big up yourself. And big up all the Calabar man that were listening.
Rabalak. Where can you see there? In the garbage heap. When I want to yell the purple and white round here, green and black.
Not
Seba.
Burial color.
Yeah, funeral them figure. Yeah, we say green. You understand?
May I tell you?
All right, Miss Dan, love and blessings here.
Yes, you too, my son. Yes,
okay,
bye-bye.
Cool.
Yeah.
Miss Dan, man, boy. Them days, them days, them bad like yours, you know, man. Now, tarry in a school and just out in a street and all them things there, whatever, you know. And I get in a fight at school, you know. The principal, them drop up, Mr. Edgar, right? Mr. Atkinson. I want enough respect to Mrs. Russell, still alive and going strong. Even though her husband, the Reverend Dr. Horace Russell, passed on about a year or so, more than a year ago. But Mrs. Russell, again, you know, those people who show. Mrs. Russell showed me love at school. She was a vice principal at Calabar, but then she was also the wife of the pastor at my church, East Queen Street Baptist Church, and things. So Mrs. Russell showed me love at church and at school. But one time me get a little caning though, you know. Yeah, me get caning one time. Them days that you have to bend over. Yeah, and you get your caning. Whap, 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 whap. By your time, you understand? And time that be a fight, man, I get in and all them something then. Beat up boy and I get beat up, or stab up and I get stabbed up. All kind of foolishness. But now I'm a model citizen. I'm such a good behaving lad right now. We have to give thanks for that, no? Yo, okay. We're not hearing a jacket mix up tonight, you know, but you can't call him about anything else and thing, but we know it's not nothing about the jacket thing. And whatever. Do remember, if you're calling from the United States or Canada, that number is 888-546-8742. 888-546. Joyce Real, seriously? Eh? Seriously? Seriously? Anyway, if you're calling from the United States or Canada, the number is 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. 888-546-8742. That is from the United States or Canada. If you're calling from Jamaica, the number is 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. 876-676-4996. People, I know it's a controversial topic on Ragashanti TV right now. Lesbian mix-up. I just want to remind you that you're listening to the Ragashanti Classics, right? On the Ragashanti Classics, those are the old Ragashanti show. I'm actually going in order. And where we are right now is Lesbian Mix-Up. The next set that is going to come up is a different set of church and pastor mix-up. And I do realize that the lesbian mix-up, they're very touchy, right? To the members of the LGBTQ community, I just want to remind you, those are shows from 2010 Jamaica. Now, I guarantee you, 2010 Jamaica is very different from 2021 Jamaica on matters related to sexuality. Also keep in mind, my show was the only show in all of Jamaica at that time that allowed people to call in irrespective of what your sexuality is or whatever your background is or your socioeconomic status or ethnicity or whatever. We make everybody call. And some people felt strongly, right? Members of the LGBTQ community, they were a little bit, some of you are a little bit peeved with some of the things that people expressed on the show. And at the same time, you know, non-gay people, many of you were very, very upset that I allowed gay people to call the show. But again, I grew up with my mother and my auntie them, and them have this thing, this Jamaican thing. Everybody has somebody pick me. Everybody's voice must be heard. And that was one of my activist goals too, to welcome voices from different constituencies that traditionally were denied opportunities to express themselves on Jamaican media. That was a deliberate objective on my part when I was running my show back then, 2010 and before that. So my thing was just let people speak, you know. So that I want you to appreciate that context when you listen lesbian mix-ups that are over Ragashanti TV right now on YouTube in terms of the classics. So you have Volume 1, Volume 2, Volume 3, and even the last classic that I put up. The last classic, that one was the one we say, the woman we claim say some female dopey a swiper. President woman say some female dopey a swiper at night time and a pressure or jojo and things. So yeah, you know, just understand them in other context there. Do remember that it's free up tomorrow, right? That are the realest Jamaican talk show free up on Ragashanti TV tomorrow over YouTube. Again, free up tomorrow, the realest Jamaican talk show. In the meantime, let's go to the phone lines. Good night. Hello. Oh, free up is at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock tomorrow night on Ragashanti TV on YouTube. Free up, 8 o'clock tomorrow night. The realest Jamaican talk show. President, give me the call. Hello? Hello?
Hey, Raga.
Yeah, greetings.
Yeah, Ragashanti. Yes, yes. I listen to your program always interesting. But I have a question to ask you. I don't know if you're aware of it.
Yeah.
I was listening to this program on the radio. I forgot the name of the program. It was the immigration. Come on Sunday morning. And the lawyer was saying that 85% of the application that a father put in for their children back in Jamaica came out negative. The DNA come out negative.
I don't think 85% is correct. Well, I'm not a lawyer, but I don't think 85% is correct. Perhaps he meant to say 35. Well, I don't know, And I don't know what timeline. I don't know if he's saying 85% over what period or whatever, but the most I heard was high 30s, which is high, which is very high, But in general, it is generally, we have different figures and things, but in general, since they have been tracking it, there have been shall we say, an unacceptable amount, a percentage, of results coming back saying that that is the person designated as a father was not the biological father, which means that there is some significant amount of deception on the part of women in that regard. So, how you feel about that?
Yeah. Could you repeat again one more time? Let me fully understand what you're saying.
No, I'm saying that given that, regardless of the different percentages that are being bandied about, right? All of them is still, uncomfortably high in terms of, that giving evidence that there's a significant amount of deception and deceit occurring when women, designate a child to a man and say, "Is you get me pregnant?" So I'm asking you, what is your impression on that?
Well, basically, I remember when I was growing up in Raga.
Yeah.
We used to say, when I was a little boy, because you say, kids don't forget nothing. Back in them days there, I'm right now, I'm at 63 years old right now. So I lose a long time to talk about it.
Right.
And you used to see men came by, your tenant and whatever, and say, boy, them cousin. You understand?
Yeah.
And like the male would accept it, because you understand? And so forth like that. So,
yeah.
I mean, this been going on for, and it's something that occurred, will happen all over the world, but now you get more prevalent now.
Okay, so what you're saying that are you saying what the Jamaican women are doing in general is no different from what is occurring all over the world? You don't think? What about the reports that the percentage on the part of Jamaica is actually way above what is the norm outside of in the rest of the world? What did you hear that argument?
It is. Yeah, and something happened prevalent. It is.
So what may I ask, so given that the reports, basically, whether or not they're true, the reports are saying that Jamaica is one of have the highest rate of Jackie Taggy. So may I say, if that is true, what do you think? Should there be some effort to curb that, or should we just continue to just leave? Right?
But tell you the truth, when we see, I talk about my knowledge, when we see,
Yeah.
And in my community,
yeah.
That me come from country,
Yeah.
a whole pa jacket get this.
A whole pa jacket drop this.
Man go farm work, man go on a farm work and come home and we see that happen lot of time. And you know what I like about the Jamaican man?
Yeah.
Even they know so they pick enough for them take it, and raise it,
Oh. So
yes, man, tell them see it happen. See it happen, them take it, them know the way they love the woman so much.
Yeah.
And all right, I tell you something I see.
Yeah.
Close by me, next door neighbor.
Yeah.
This man take up a woman with 3 picnic.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And the woman have 1 picnic for him.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
The man got a farmer.
Yeah.
And one police, the guy was a soldier, I call him name.
Yeah.
And then he become police.
Yeah.
You should write one of them, they could be get under 50.
Yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
And get the man wife, the one who got a farmer.
Yeah.
well, they never married still, but, you know,
Yeah.
you just use the word wife,
Yeah.
and get it pregnant.
Yeah.
And the man come back.
Yeah.
And find out, come back up to the woman with the belly.
See her with belly.
You know, say, treat that little girl just like this.
Right. And you think that is a good thing that he did, right?
Yes. Well, listen.
Yeah.
All right. You see, kid are innocent.
Right.
Me took up a woman, you know.
Right.
I'm took up a woman with a 6-year-old.
Yeah.
Right now, the guy a sergeant.
Yeah.
Right now, Newark in a Newark police force. Me raised me at the uncle father I know.
Yeah.
He kind of father in that Jamaica.
Mm-hmm.
So what the man did was a very good thing. Right?
All right. My question to you, hold on. If what the man do is a very good thing, and what you said that Jamaican men routinely accept, jacket when them know say not feed them money and thing like that, is that encouraging women to continue doing it then?
It's a wrong thing to do.
No. Me never ask if I wrong thing. I'm saying, give it that you say that it is whatever. I don't want to put words in your mouth. But you seem to be saying that it is not unusual for a Jamaican man to know him get jacket and still mind the picnic. That is what you're saying, right? So I'm saying that if Jamaican men are like that, do you think that would be encouraging women to continue doing that?
No, it's wrong.
No, but is it?
They shouldn't be doing it.
No, but do you think do you think that is encouraging them to do it, knowing that it's likely that he might still stay because I don't know him weak to me or I already know the picnic. Well, the commonest thing with me, the woman them who do it is not mostly me here. Said them, in terms over the years, the calculation from the woman is to get the man to bond with the child first. And then the idea is that if him bond with the child, 1, 2, 3 years, and I say, the likelihood of him severing that bond decreases the stronger that bond is. So the calculation on the part of the woman who do this is to try and get the man to bond with the child first. Now, the courts also, they work along those lines. So I'm saying is that,
right.
So probably that is just encouraging the woman them to do it because the woman was, a lot of, let's be careful there because some man find out and you see there was it mad some man and them thing, right? And the violence will come out and thing.
Yes.
So it mash up enough money, it mash up enough money. And the kids suffer.
Of course, man. Listen, when you love a woman, say a man I touch your thing, It's not an easy thing to accept,
That's why they need to be. That's why the men need to be like me and think like me and think like Ragashanti. Me can't get born,
Raga, not say that, man.
Don't say that. No. Well on. I'm gonna tell you again.
You can't say it. You can't say it, but you can. Hold on. Just listen.
No. Listen. No. Don't listen. I don't, because you don't really know where I'm coming from with it. I cannot get born. And my Tambourine family people, I'm going to listen on Tambourine radio. They know exactly what I'm going to say because I'm here 10 million times already.
All right, tell me why you cannot get born.
All right.
So we can understand.
All right.
I could learn from you.
Born, by definition, must necessarily mean that the other party has done something that you did not expect that they would do. Am I wrong or am I right? Or that they should not, that you think they should not have done. Am I wrong or am I right?
You're right.
All right. So the necessary ingredient that must exist, it must precede an occurrence of bond. It must be that something that where you would never sleep with somebody else. Or you're not going to do it, or we're married, or whatever. You will never do that or whatever. And that's it, because, you see, because woman already knows, say, no man, a man will born you or whatever. Women can manage it better. You see, the man, them who believe them own the woman vagina and I my something that and and this and that. And them man, they always end up a kill the woman them because them can't manage bond.
That's true.
They cannot manage bond.
Right, that's true.
Right? So what me I say is a two-stage thing. One, me I say, Man for humble himself, and if you get a bun, humble yourself and go ball if you need for ball, or work it out and stay if you have stay, and whatever. No, me I keep it real. Yes. Men, if you get bun, don't make such a big deal about it. Bun is not that big a deal, right? That's the first stage, right? If a woman give you some bun, women have been getting bun left. Me not excuse what them are doing. You follow what me I say? Women have been dealing with bunning from the dawn of humanity. They ain't get bun till them fool and whatever. Some of them leave, some of them wallet, some of the bunning institutionalized where men are allowed to have multiple wives, but women can't do the same or whatever. Women have been going through. Men, there is nothing wrong if you love a woman and she end up go bun you and go sleep with another man. Leave her, go find her next woman. Don't believe, say, you did own the juju and you fear you're right for go stab her up or thing and go get depressed and go jump off of the Brooklyn Bridge or anything. But the other thing where me I get from now is this. Any woman me there with, first of all, if me and her do so, and we have fun, and she say, ram it out, a year one, ram out your something. Yeah, me I enjoy that, and me I listen at that moment. But you see, once we done, that is not my thing. That is her thing, it's on her body. And she can go do whatever she want to do with it at any time, irrespective of any vow me and her make, irrespective of if me and her go under the Guango tree and we swear loyalty to one another and we seal it up under the that is not my one. And you see, if you live your life, you see, if every man live his life and say not care what the woman said to you, that woman can't sleep, go sleep with somebody. Make the choice for yourself. For put fear body and fear chun and go sleep with somebody. You see, if every man understand that, you see, by the time him go hear something like that, it coming like nothing to him.
No, but I saw me, whether you know, so right now, I saw me because right now, I tell you the truth. Everything you say right, because right now I live by myself, I'm 64.
See.
Right? See. And I have two daughters. My little small daughter at 10 years old.
Yeah.
The big one at 27, she just come back from Jamaica the other day.
Yeah.
And I tell you the truth, I see him so many things. And my ex, the son of me tell us, Maria, my police officer, she was a very loyal woman.
Yeah.
I'm a cheap on her. I'm not telling her, I'm cheap on her.
You're cheap on her, right.
But listen now, listen, me do it. She never find out until like years after.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And me never watch her. Right? Me not say she not say she do she give me bun and me not say but me never have that on top of my head. You understand?
Yeah.
So basically everything when you say, I hope all of the man them we are listening right and now and things with them own a woman or whatever. You understand? They no own a woman, the woman responsible for herself. You understand?
Well on. I'm going to take some other car, but this damn foolish say here with Jamaican, man. Oh, she going to give her your thing. Give her your thing. Oh, she give her your pay. The girl going to give her your tune, man.
Man. I
give her you, what you want. It's fair one. If me love a woman, and find out she sleep with somebody, you would never hear me and say, hey, you gonna give her me thing. You gonna give what? That is not my thing. If you gonna do it, me say, you gonna enjoy yourself with a man and thing. You make a choice. All right, do you? And I then mean it for know what me I do. Yeah. All right, my brother. Big up yourself.
Man.
All right.
Yeah.
You would never, under any circumstances, hear this out of my mouth like somebody. Oh, you gonna give him a Tony. I gonna give him what? My what? It's not mine. That is not mine. And nothing wrong if you believe I hear one, with the understanding. As long you can't believe I hear one, as long as you understand you don't own it. Not only you don't own it, but any card can play. Listen to mantra, listen Mass Raga. Anything that has happened to someone before you can happen to you. Anything that has happened before you can happen to you. It is therefore fallacious reasoning to ground yourself, whether consciously or unconsciously, and if it is unconscious, you need to make yourself aware of it right now. In an understanding that certain things will happen to certain people long before you would never happen to you. Not care how much you're in love right now. Not care how much, there's nothing wrong, with saying, I don't see my partner doing that. There's nothing wrong in saying that and believing that. There's nothing wrong in saying, no, I don't see my husband doing that. I don't see my wife doing that. I don't see my man doing that. I don't see my woman. There's nothing wrong with believing that. But it is fatally flawed that in believing that, you're also believing that it will never happen to you. There is a pronounced distinction between saying, concluding, I don't think she would ever do that or he would ever do that on one side, and she would never ever do that and he would never ever do that. Trust me, people. You live in that domain where, that realm, that sphere, S-P-H-E-R-E, where you understand that don't care how good looking you are, don't care how much money you spend, not care how pretty you is, not care how handsome you are, not care how you start out turn up, not care what all of the most incredible things you have done for this person, don't care how you have been there for this person more than anybody else. Don't care how you were there when they had their near-death experience and how you saved them life. Try know that person can still engage in some act or event that you going to interpret as they betrayed you. You're not too good. None of you are too good for something that has happened to many, many people, millions and billions of people before you, to believe that it will never, ever happen to you. Once you understand that, truly understand that, not just theoretically, not just superficially, but once you ground your mind in that, you are then functioning in such a liberated space that it'll confuse people. That people will come to you with foolishness, but you don't love me. You don't love me because if you didn't love me, you don't even think so and so and so and so and bring out some foolishness to you. Because you're functioning on a higher order right now. Where a feeble-minded person who is a supplicant, who is susceptible to the vagaries of underdeveloped reasoning and get emotionally charged when somebody do something when them say the person do to them, not knowing that it's their thinking that is doing to themselves, right? Them type of people, if you didn't love me, you'd get jealous and think, no, you can't get jealous, but you can't get jealous like what the rest of them say. You can't get jealous, but you're not fall in love, you stand in love, right? And a lot of this had to do with our egomaniacal orientation. Many of us were egotistic and we don't realize it. And once you humble yourself and say, don't care who you are, anything that has happened to people before you can happen to you. So should it happen to you, you will not be surprised. You will not be so shocked. You got depressed and want to go jump off a building and go stab up somebody and want to go poison them with cyanide, all kind of sitting and dinner, whatever. Right? Ragashanti is on record saying, if I am totally in love with a woman, and I come home and I see a man, a driller with an instrument that is 5 times the size of my one, me not get mad. Me not get angry. My reason going to be, well, she made a choice with her body and her vagina, and she's enjoying herself. I'm telling her, I go and make them some lemonade. I mean, I make sure I make a lemonade good to sweeten it good with dark sugar and use key lime. And I use no whole look idiot lime. I want the lemonade taste good. If it's a summer, good ice of it in it. Because when them done, them I go tired. Them I go need some refreshing. I'll make it for them. And when them done, me give them lemonade. No worry now for that. Then I mean for know myself. I mean for know if me and I have a reason I work it out. I'm not going to say I eat that, no hard feelings. Or I'm going to look somebody else and whatever, only part of woman out there. But me not go in prison for no woman who supposedly have born me. Because I can't get born. At this point, I can't get born. I cannot get born. Because what has to precede, the precursors that are necessary for bun to be what we call bun. Me already reason that out over years, me grapple with it and I understand it now. So that can't happen to me. So when a woman go do what she want, do not care me love her or care whatever she said to me, it's not my thing she give her. In fact, she never give her anything. She used her body the way she chose to do, and that is her choice. And very often there's nothing wrong with that. There could be valid reason for her to do so. Because enough of them problems where you see people have with so-called bunning. And what the other person do, are the thinking of the person who said that they are the victim, and that cause a problem. And so the crazy things happen, and the depression happen, and the war happen, and all them things that happen. And I like to go over this, you know why? Because we see what's going on out there. You watch the true crime channels, ID Discovery and them channel and whatever. The amount of killing we are going over so-called cheating and burning, it's an endemic. It's endemic, right? And to some extent, it may be a silent, passive pandemic because it exists in every country. Asia, the Asian continent, Western Europe, all about people are killing people left, right, and center for so-called burning and cheating and whatever. That not happen. That not happen. Worse if she'll burn me with all that woman, I'm more likely for join. Let's party! Threesome! Anyway, give me our next caller. Hello? Hello? Prezi. The car. Me not hear the person. Check. Prezi, me I hear some sort of feedback, like some screeching type of thing, Me no know, Prezi. Something that's screeching on my ears, yeah. Oh, it stopped now. Bring in one of them calling, please. Hello? Hello?
Good night, Raga.
Good night, yeah.
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Can you hear me, Raga?
Yeah, man, yeah.
But sometimes I don't know if I'm me, Raga, talk to
What you mean?
Because you can't hear when you talk, and then when you click over, sometimes I'm going to say hello, and you say hello.
Are you me I talk to me? Why go boo-boo?
Me there,
Seeing. Talk to me.
Yesterday, I listened to the man where your name just a chat.
Yeah.
There's a difference between jacket, and every woman will cheat on a man and get a picnic, a jacket,
Explain.
Because the example that he just gave you, he said that the man come from farm work and come home and see woman a breed. That's not a jacket.
No, but
jackets are unknown.
No.
He knows nothing picnic from she pregnant. You understand?
Well,
not jacket that.
Well, no, I see what you said. No, but no. What you're saying?
No, my jacket is what I'm saying.
Right. No. First of all, let me just demonstrate that I understand what you're saying. You're saying for it to be a jacket, it must mean that the man don't know and think it's fiend picnic.
Right, it's a possibility.
Right,
for it to be
don't know. Well,
it has to be a possibility.
Right, okay. For it to be a jacket, and him wear the jacket and thing, but him,
Right.
I'm believing that a female and that is not. And you're right, that is one way
Right,
to,
and the jacket have a cut to fit, The jacket have a cut to fit.
Right.
You understand me?
Right. But
That
when
the jacket, the problem is a medium and we are 3X large. That's not a jacket.
no, and
You understand?
you're
Because
saying
it's
now
not
when a man now knows that that is not my child, but I am going to take care of that child, but I know for a fact, 100%, with 100% surety, that that is not my child. But nonetheless, I'm going to treat that child as if it's mine. You're saying that is not a... You know what? I have to agree with you there,
That's not a
I have to agree with it. No,
Yeah,
I have
that's
to
not a
agree
jacket.
with you there.
And that's why the woman-
Which
the
is
man
different,
treats the
which is
child. The man
different.
know
What,
why
hold on. Which is different than if the man come home and think a fiend picking that kind of breeder when him leave. Right? You understand?
Right.
Right.
If it was within the time frame.
Right.
Then,
No.
yeah, that
No.
could be
No.
a jacket.
No.
And that's all the...
Important
Go ahead.
distinction you just made. Thank you for that. And I'm sure other people understand it the way you explained it. I have to agree with you there.
And you see how with that knowledge now, or the ending different and varies. You understand? The man could have come home and say, no, him done with them woman, him no want her back.
Right.
And then him just wish them well and go about in business, but he chose to stay, so he must accept the child.
Right.
You understand? But then when I jacket, I saw from the violence come in later on when they find out say no one of my child them do that kind of stupid thing.
Right.
You understand?
No, you're quite
because
correct.
they're going thinking that. You understand?
No, you're quite
I have
correct.
an auntie there, you see.
Mm-hmm.
Raga, I have an auntie.
Yeah.
And the woman have 9 kids.
Yeah.
Married when she met her husband when she was pregnant.
Uh-huh.
So the first one, he know enough for him. Him treat all 9 kids like a is. You know, say 4 of them alone are the man one.
Jesus God. Well, and she have 9 kids,
Only
including
4.
the one where did meet when she the 9
Right.
include the one where she did pregnant with when him come take her.
Yes. She have 8 more while she was married to him.
And she have 8 more. And out of the
4 of
8,
them is not his biological.
and this is a man who take her up with her belly. And him they take her up with her belly.
Mm-hmm.
Ay, boy. You know, say, somebody...
And him treat all of them. Him find out later on doing and him never... Treatment never different. No, when him dead and gone, everybody was still on his will. He never removed no kids, nothing.
What you think about that? You commend him for that? Is that
The auntie wicked, man. She wicked.
The auntie wicked.
She wicked. Yeah, man, she wicked. This is a from I know my aunt. One of them social lady, they were dressed up. Always have on stuck in her heel and never work a day since I met that lady.
See?
The man don't make sure work on. She'd have a lot of time on her hand while he work.
Well, probably him shouldn't do that. Probably him never should have do that then.
No, him should have sent her ass go work.
Yeah.
He need something to do.
Him poil her, man. Him poil her. But you know what, though? You see what him do with the 8 kids? That is something I would do, And I know some men listening and saying, nah, whatever. Because my reasoning is this, right? And again, remember, I am one of those people who is concerned that there are no systemic provisions on the parts of the courts or whatever to deter women from continuing this practice. There's nothing out there. Not only there is no provisions to discourage women from doing these things, the way the courts work actually encourage women to do it. Because if a woman gives a man a jacket and the man think of it fiend picnic, and 3 years, 5 years, 6 years later, him find out says not fiend picnic, the court says, sir, we're not busy with you and the woman pasa. You accepted paternity of this child. In the interest of the child, the court, the law obligates you to continue it. So my reason has always been, if women know that that is if them get catch out, find out, if women know that if them get catch out, find out, the man still have to go there. By law, he have to stay him down the way for go. Then what? So what to start them from continuing it, right? So that is my thing,
That's
right?
Why they need. That's why men need to do what they need. That's why this proposal with the DNA,
Yeah.
I don't think the guy brought it like the way he bring it is never correct. But they need to implement DNA testing in Jamaica. In America, yeah, so you can ask for a DNA at the hospital.
Right.
You will get a DNA done if you ask.
Right.
You understand? But them need to do it at Jamaica. And the men, them need to know before they
why them need to do it at Jamaica? You seem to be implying something here. Why they need to do it in Jamaica?
I know Jackie Dash we are Jamaica.
Okay, so you say
Jackie you wear Jamaica and Jamaica so hot.
Oh, so the woman them the woman them give her the jacket them at Jamaica, right? Right?
No man, the woman them not here. Some of them not really. Then just go.
All right. So are you saying that given the prevalence of jacket in Jamaica, to use our indigenous parlance from our country, you are saying that it warrants a necessity to do the DNA test at birth in order to make some determination that
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
I agree.
Okay.
I agree.
Okay. Let me read one email. But let me read one email where somebody said one woman I said she don't agree with it doing at birth because of the hormonal fluctuations that a woman is going through at birth and so forth and things like that. She said just the very notion that the baby father would be sanctioning a test. She said, boy, she'd have to left him right away. What do you think about that?
Well, at the time of conception, she never done go through nothing hormonal. She was supposed to make the right decision. Then, if she can't make it when she give birth.
Yeah.
That's a decision. So you can't say, because of the hormonal this when giving birth. It's 9 months prior to that she was supposed to make the right decision.
Hold on. This is her email. She said, "Hi Raga, I do not believe it would be a good idea to have DNA test right after a delivery. I think if later on one of the parents want to have that done, then that's fine. But right after delivery, no DNA test. Remember, women are extremely hormonal right after birth, and they may be struggling with other health issues at that time. No one needs to be upset after a delivery. If you don't trust your partner, you should not be with them. If my husband did that to me after delivery, I would have left him." And I hear what she's saying, but on another level, well, if you have nothing to fear, it's not an issue. It would not be an issue, right? Correct?
If you have nothing to fear, then your hormone not going to be affected,
Then your hormone not going to be affected. But what she's saying is just the very notion of doing a test when she's in that state, after going through that arduous process of delivering a child, and to hear that, you're going to do a DNA test. She's saying that she never said it in those words, but she's implying that there's just some sort of disrespect and insensitivity to what a woman is going through there. But with all due respect, darling, we appreciate what the woman is going through, but for the man to go through a lifetime of deception after that also is one could argue that is equally troubling, equally disturbing. But let me bounce another call before me leave them about 10 minutes ago, yeah?
Yeah, man.
All right, enough love, good. That's cool. Hello. All right, next call, President. Next call. Hello.
Good night, Mr. Scandalous.
Huh?
Good night, Mr. Scandalous.
Yeah, man, what y'all say?
No, I'm thinking the Gen Commander will say, in his what? Never WRONG.
Right,
Mr. I wonder if him GROWN.
Oh, yeah. He's a,
you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, man, he's a 60-something-year-old man, so of course. Uh-huh.
So in WRONG or in GROWN?
Well, what do you think?
Well, I don't know, because in there they kind of mix up.
Okay.
I'm sure so when you go to school, you usually have some pencil when you're rotten, so you sharpen them after them broke.
Okay, see, so make
so you could have said the female I sharpener, and the male them my pencil.
So make a definitive statement about him then.
No, he seems to mix up to me.
Okay.
Because they didn't sing fan both and so forth. The first place, he must say woman. You have woman and you have lady. And he might term female person as woman just to see him. So I don't know where I get that.
Okay.
And flea or something where they pan dog or puss.
He meant that symbolically though. It was a metaphor. Clearly, he did not mean that literally.
Anyway, Mr. Scandalous, you remember, say sometimes, some of we really could pop down phone and some of we can't even to afford credit because you know all the things are going on in Jamaica, yeah? All over the world, but some persons, you know.
Yeah.
So a good thing in time, because to me and you a month, it come like we kind of understand each other.
Seeing.
I'm glad them get a little extra time.
All right, now say a word, man. Enough love and blessings, yeah? Yeah, man.
Okay, God bless and keep you safe always, you and your family.
Thank you, darling, and the same to you and yours, okay?
Okay, thank you. Have a blessed night.
Yeah, man, protection. Yo, President, man, next caller. Hello? Hello? Now, you're not the part of it.
Ragashanti.
Yeah, hello, yeah.
Say, you hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you.
All right, cool. No? Yeah, man, I listen to your show for over 10 years now, so, you know, I understand, you know, where you stand on this topic. But I didn't want to tell you this for a long time. I think whenever you touch this topic, it presents some doubt in married men or just marriages in general. Because nobody really married, you know, to think or enter into a marriage, you know, to believe that, you know, it's a possibility that their spouse can you know, step out on them.
Right.
You know, so I am one of those, you know, married men who was very optimistic about marriage, you know. Next month gonna be 10 years, so I was very optimistic, you know, about, you know, 10 years ago, and I'm still optimistic about my marriage, you know, for the next 10 years.
Right.
You know, but then again, when we listen to your show and hear your stance on this topic, it presents some sort of doubt, a series of doubt in my mind, because, you know, what you're saying is true and it's logical, but at the end of the day, like, take for instance right now, my wife, she at work right now. But when I listen to this show, I said to myself, wait, she really at work? You know, yeah, man, you know, come here, home, the pick with them.
Right.
The way how you phrase it.
Right.
It's a logical way.
Right.
How you phrase it. Because like you said, anything that can happen to somebody in the past,
right,
can definitely happen to you. And that's 100% true.
Right.
But I'm saying, you know, I start to lose optimism in my
No. And
when me hear your stance, you know, so it's like, and nobody really going to this thing thinking about bun. Yes, it can happen. Yes, these things happen, but nobody delved into this whole.
Hold on. And therein, therein lies you hit the nail right on the head, and you actually use the terminologies that establishes the differentiation, because you're quite right. What I am espousing here is grounded in logic, which is devoid, which is it's a conclusion reached from dispassionate reasoning. You see the other side, where you say when people get married and this thing or whatever, I'm going to be honest with you. There's nothing wrong with it, you know. Because sometimes people listen to me and they think it's an either or. There's nothing wrong with being with a partner who you, like I said, who you think, I don't think she would ever do that, or I don't think he would ever do that. I'm just saying there is a distinction to be made.
Right now
right. There's a distinction to be made with that and saying some. All right, let me put it another way. You know, when people drive and them say, I don't think I'll ever get in a car accident. Is that really a firm reasoning? Isn't it possible that you can get in a car? You could be driving safely and a drunk driver just come and crash in you, don't it? Right? So what I'm saying is, you have this romantic ideal, this type of Hollywood-esque thing, you have this whole notion of being in love and the wild abandon and the beautiful surrender and all this stuff and you know, and the love songs. When I looked in your eyes, I saw forever and all these things. No, I'm saying all those things can seduce you into a state of, you know, functioning in a space that is not grounded in reality. And, you know, I'm just saying, don't swing over to the other extreme, because if you swing over to the other extreme, it doesn't even have to be relationship, you know. You never hear people, how many times do you hear people in a position where something happened to them and they get locked in this thing? Why me? Why me? Why I don't deserve this? I hear people I say, but God, I did everything right. Why this is happening to me? I can't, you know, I can't. I don't even want to bring up some other uncomfortable thing, because some of the thing is that people, they just don't. There's some things that they're so, shall we say, they're so huge that you don't. All right, you want to hear something really uncomfortable?
Sure,
Every day people get up and they see things happen to other people's children. But most people, they don't even want to face even a smidgen of thought that something like that could happen to their kids. But if these are happening to parents' kids, why you think it will never happen to your kid?
Because how you govern your thing.
It's unrealistic thinking.
And I govern my thing with honesty and trust, right, and love, and it's reciprocated to me.
No, and that's
but
good.
Once again,
that's
listening
good.
to your show, it presents a series of doubts.
Well, okay. No, and I'm going to say something. No, we run out of time. But I'm going to say this to you too. There's nothing wrong, you know, if when you hear me on this topic, you know, you turn off the radio, you know, and then turn it back on when you want.
No, man. No, I'm not gonna go there. But like I said, I'm just saying that now. Like, how am I to look at my wife right now? How am I supposed to look at her?
No, you look at her. You look
work right now.
No, you look at her with trust and love, same way. I'm just saying that. Yeah. Just to keep it real, we run out of time. No, man, but just I say, if something for happen or whatever, don't lose your mind and go do something crazy and hurt your wife and the kids.
Yeah, I already concluded that.
You know, all right. We run out of time here. But respect for the reason.
Cool, no?
All right, then, cool.
Yeah. All
right, people, me have to juggle and thing. Do remember, free up tomorrow night, 8 o'clock on Ragashanti TV over YouTube. Again, and free up at the realest Jamaican talk show. So, on a can just come in and thing. Again, 8 o'clock tomorrow night on Ragashanti TV. So make sure someone come in. If you have not subscribed to Ragashanti TV on YouTube, you can do so right now. Please do so right now. Right this minute. Just go over YouTube, put in Ragashanti TV, and when it come up, you just click the subscription button, and then you can also click the notification button too if you want, so that you know when things are over there, and then enjoy the content over there. There's hundreds of hours of videos of Mixup entertainment video over there for you to enjoy. So just go over there now, subscribe. You can start enjoying the stuff over there and think. Big up yourself, people. Enough respect to all the people, the hundreds of people on the Facebook and thing. I see you. And TamFam was large up. TamFam bless upon yourself. Big up all who support the Bridge 99 FM. Big up all who support Ragashanti TV. Once a big thank you again to Prezi for understanding me and just laugh at the time you hear me. I'm a madness and thing. Right? Big up the IrieJam family and the whole works. Do remember IrieDale thing on the 28th, right? At Mingles. IrieDale birthday party and thing. And just roll out for that. Take care of yourselves, people. See you tomorrow night. Ragashanti TV. Free up! The realest Jamaican talk show with me, Ragashanti. Tomorrow night, 8 o'clock, Ragashanti TV on YouTube. Enough blessings and love. Respect.
Better you build a bridge than instead of you build a wall.
The time on the Bridge 99 FM is 12 o'clock.